Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? Mufasa, you know we finally here, right? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday again,
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah, it's been too long since we got crazy. I'm lucky spinning out. I'm counting down till Friday come. I'm gonna do too much. No, I'm all in my bag, that's clutch. Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on a wave, yeah.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what?
This can't be bad for me, 'cause I want more. Wanna feel the bass vibrating through the floor. So keep it playing. I'm on a wave, and I'ma ride it all the way. When it comes we want that weekend. We want that weekend. We want that weekend.
It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then, it's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then,
Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on.
It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. Ooh-wee. Ooh. It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. It's Saturday, Sunday, what? It's Friday then. Do. Let's go, chat. We're back. Another day, another dollar. Big shout out to Hulk Hogan passing away yesterday. Little moment of silence for the man, the myth, the legend, the OG, the Mr. America. If y'all can give him, let's give him 10 seconds here of silence starting now. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up watching Hulk Hogan when I was a kid, and that shit was cool, man. That shit was real cool. You know, I learned a lot from Hulk Hogan, honestly, as an entertainer. You know, I learned a lot. I learned how to control the room, how to be the man, how to be the myth, the legend. You know, this guy, fucking legendary, Hulk Hogan. What a time to be alive. If you guys haven't heard the news, if you don't know who Hulk Hogan is, are you even a man? Man, the American. Fucking Ozzy Osbourne, Hulk Hogan, all in the same week. Our heroes, they're dying, man. We're getting old. Just goes to prove there ain't nobody making it out of here alive. Even the greatest bow out at some point. The show don't last forever. Enjoy it while you can, man. Enjoy it while you can. Life is too short. Life is too fucking short, I'm telling you. One day we're gonna, I mean, hopefully one day somebody plays a tribute to Patrick Wieland live on YouTube. I hope. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that I have that much of a influence that there's a tribute reel to Patrick Wieland one day. I got that Hulk Hogan look. You know, I could probably rip my shirt off. I could do it. I could do it. Say that I won't. Say I can't do it. I'll do it. I might do it at the end of the stream. I don't know. I like this shirt kind of. I kind of don't want to rip it. Maybe put a different shirt on. Need another shirt. All right. Nasdaq. What do we got? We've got Nvidia kind of just dipping, going sideways overnight. Yesterday, once again, just the classic, the dump, the pump, the dump, the pump, dump, pump, chopping around, all-time highs. It's Friday, right? It's fucking Friday. Something's gonna happen, right? Something's gonna happen. Something. I don't know what it's gonna be, but something's gotta happen. How many people here in the chat trade with FFN? How many people we got any FFN traders here? Funded Futures Network? Anybody? Well, I'm interested to see how many people have FFN. Well, if you have an FFN account, right now they got a BOGO deal going on. FFN, Funded Futures Network. And also, they gave me a code for 10 free accounts. I don't know. Go use them. The code is GTR. GTR 10 free accounts with the code GTR. Let me know if it works. So big shout out to FFN, Funded Futures Network, for always supporting the stream, supporting PW. And like we've been talking about all week, my Funded Futures right now, 25% off. I believe the deal is ending very soon. I'm not sure, but I think it's going to end possibly over the weekend. So let me know. And then, we got all kinds of stuff going on. We got funding ticks with some big news today. We got Apex 90% off. I mean, it is getting wild out there, wild and crazy here in the PropFirm space right now. We got funding ticks 35% off, MFFU 25% off. We got Apex 90% off. We got Take Profit Trader 40% off right now. What a crazy time to be alive. Everybody, all these prop firms are trying to get your business. They want you. They need you. Who are you going to choose? The $1 million question. What do you guys buying right now? What's the big move right now for people in the chat? What do you guys got? What are you looking at? Everybody got anything special going on? What are y'all seeing? So I got my this is my new MFFU. I got those accounts yesterday. We passed the evals. And now we are ready to trade these new 50K accounts. We'll see if we can do it. We gotta make it. We got 5 days, right? We need five winning days, at least $100 in profit. So, see what happens. I'm interested. Can I do a poll? Let's do a poll. All right. Top prop firm you're buying. Top prop firm deal now. Let's see who's voting for what. I am an American lady. All right, got a poll in the chat. What do you guys got? Who's got what? If the code doesn't work for Funded Futures Network, that probably means that everybody used it already. Somebody got greedy and got like 10 of them, you fucking assholes. Somebody got greedy. It was good for 10 accounts. I think it got used. All right, right now, we got a poll in the chat. I'm interested to see what the chat thinks. Who's got the best deal right now? Apex, 90% off. Use the code PW. MFFU, 25% off. Funding ticks, 35% off. And then Take Profit Trader, 40% off. Who got the best deal? Who got the best? Who got the Fun and Futures networks? Who got them? Anybody? There was 10 accounts, but somebody probably took all 10 because they're fucking greedy bastards. Jason got one. Hola got one. AD got one. If the GTR does, it was only good for 10 accounts. It was good for 10 people. Has Funding Ticks announced what's new? Oh, yeah, they have. They got the new stuff going on. Funding Ticks right now, this is their update. They revamped the rules. No restrictions on news trading. That was a big issue. A lot of people were not happy about the news trading for the zero model. For the evals, it's only tier 1 events. No longer are all red folders banned. And then you have a new window 1 minute before or after. I mean, that's pretty easy. Lifetime cap doubled. Now you get $200,000 in payouts lifetime. Wow. And then the new dashboard as well. We got 35% off the evals right now with Funding Ticks. So a lot of big stuff happening right now across the board. I posted up a new photo of the dashboard, which I thought was very interesting because if you look here, I don't know what it is, but I mean, I think it's just because the market only goes higher. But if you look at my overall behavioral bias, out of the 764 trades that I've placed since starting these accounts, I have been rather bullish. So it's I think it's probably, I don't know if it's lifetime or what, but I think it's either way. So right now, Nasdaq pull it back there, 20,350. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. We're doing it live at the BDH like nobody else. There's a reason that I call myself the #1, and it's not just because of my ego, people. It's because it's the truth, all right? There is nobody doing it like this, all right? Who else has got their own fucking studio with cars and computers and all kinds of fun stuff? Remember, August 4th, we got the first ever live mentorship. I got 2 traders coming to the BDH starting on August 4th through the 15th. Big news, big stuff happening, exciting times, and we're looking forward to it, man. It's going to be really, really good time. A lot of, I think it's going to be very, very educational. Very educational, really, because, well, no one's really ever done anything like that. A totally free mentorship, 2 weeks. I got 2 people that are coming in, but the great thing is, guys, guess what? You get to hang out with me, you know what I mean? We're doing it live, so everybody gets to benefit. It's not just for 2 people. The 2 people, I think they're great. It's great because now we have like kind of a baseline. We have an example to kind of talk through their different emotions and feelings and ideas and where they are with their trading. And that should all kind of resonate with you guys. Is their Chipotle free? I don't know. Are they sleeping over at my house? No, they live locally. All right, right now, top PropFirm deal in the space. Looks like Apex is winning with 90% of the vote. Or sorry, 42% of the vote. It's 90% off. So let's get ready to rumble. I'm really like, I don't know. I'm really questioning the idea of taking profit here on Nvidia. I'm long on Nvidia from the 130s, right? I'm long from literally all the way down here on Nvidia. I feel like, I don't know. I want to see what happens today. If we break through the upside, I might just hold. I don't know. I'm up 27% right now. Should I take profit? You know, that's the $1 million question here. Everybody wants to know. We're right there, you know, like the weekly candles Oh, Lord. I'm basically long from here. So right now, I mean, I don't know. What do I do, chat? What do I do? I could sell all of my Nvidia and then buy it back at a lower price, but what happens if it goes higher? Like, what do I do then? You know, like, what if it just keeps going higher and higher forever and never comes back? We got to think about, like, what are the big drivers right now for Nvidia? Obviously, the whole AI thing. Trump just talked about AI, how he wants America to win the AI race. So maybe that's some fuel to the fire here. I don't know. Oh, what are you? $1 million question, man. $1 million question right now. If you guys have not checked out onlyprofirms.com for the latest and greatest deals, we got the calendar on there as well. I think we had a little bit of news this morning. Did we have a little bit of news? What's today's date? I can't even tell what today. What the fuck is today? The 25th. So nothing really out of the ordinary here. We had durable. We had a little bit of news at 8:30, but other than that, nothing too fancy. So basically, right now, this is where I'm at. I'm up about 27% on Nvidia right now, which is about a $27,000 profit right now. So trying to figure out, should I take profit on it or not? I don't know. Patrick, any thoughts on Hulk Hogan? Yeah, no, we did a little tribute to him earlier. The man, the myth, the legend. You cannot deny that this man revolutionized the entertainment space forever. I think I've definitely drawn some inspiration from the Hulk, the man, the myth. You know, you got to respect him. He's a showman. He's a sportsman. He's a hell of a personality. So I think, you know, that's what I've tried to, as much as we try to be educational here, we're putting on a show. And people are always like, Patrick, why do you get all crazy? I mean, maybe I do it because I'm trying to get more viewers, you know? I don't know. It's a fine line, right? It's such a fine line between being too crazy versus being over the top and like getting the views, but also having the value. And it's a tricky one, man. It's hard to say exactly what the best course of action is there. Right now, ES above yesterday's close. So the ES is above that 6,400 level. That's a key level for the ES here. You can see on the ES right now kind of what we're looking at here as we get ready for the market open. And is it going to be like kind of a head and shoulders type move? I think pretty much if the ES can hold the 6,400s, right? If we can hold the 6,400s, well then might be some downside potential. It is Friday. It's like, where do we end up on a Friday? Where do we want to go, you know, on a Friday here? If we look at the weekly candle, last week we closed with a little bit of a wick. The previous, you know, it's like little wicks on top of those candles. How often does the weekly candle close at the top of the range of the weekly candles? So that would be like this candle kind of did it, but not very often. Maybe a little higher. Yeah, it is. It's hard to say. Looking at that weekly candle, it's like, where do we close at? Above 23,500s here? Make a new all-time high today again? Patrick, Khaled won't say no to you. Can you ask him to reset my master account? Got breached yesterday. Why will he not say no to me? What do you think? What? Why would he not? What kind of power? What kind of power do I have? Does Funding Ticks have a Discord? Yes, they do. They have a Discord. They got all that stuff. But if you want to keep up, you know, on what's going on, what's new, you know where to be. Right here. I always got the latest and the greatest news. Always got the latest, the greatest news, my friends. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. We're doing it live at the BDH, baby. They got the new dashboard right here as well. So this is the new Funding Ticks dashboard. You can see my account balance starting out at 100,000. And right now we're sitting at about 117,000. We've taken 2 payouts as well. So 17,000 on the 100K account. Let's go, baby. Let's go there, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Yeah, no, this is still the beta mode. So they haven't. Oh, sorry. I fixed it. Now it looks better. I don't know. The white actually kind of looked better. I don't know. We're getting ready here for market open. I got my new MFFU. The whole MFFU thing always, it makes me giggle. Because I'm like, ha, MFFU, you motherfuckers. Hey, MFFU. Gotcha. So we're kind of, what's funny is we're still inside yesterday's range, that opening range, still that 15-minute area, that 400 area, 340 area here going into open. Anything's possible. It's Friday, man. You know how that Friday gets wild. Friday just gets wild, man. Gets wild. All right, I've got my 5. These are my 5 accounts. 50K accounts. These are the new, I believe they're all funded now, right? Maybe. Oh, maybe I might have to go activate them or press a button. Let me go look real quick. I might need to do something. I might need to go do something really quickly to activate those. Let me see. I don't know. I think maybe we're good. Do I need to act? There's no activation, I don't think, right? It says they're all good to go. It's weird how that one says CL. Why does that one say CL? And the other ones don't say CL. Huh. Why is that? Any plans for the weekend? Oh, you already know what I'm doing this weekend. I'm going for a drive. You know, I'm going for a drive, baby. A fucking drive, baby. You know where I'm going. Check this out. What I'm going to be driving this weekend. 1979 911 Turbo. They don't call it the Widowmaker for nothing. This motherfucker, he'll try to kill you. No power steering, no anti-lock brakes, no nothing. It's just pure power to the fucking wheels, boys. Pure power. Pure power. This is a 1979 911 Turbo. And she is ready to go. I am fired up. Look at that thing. Ooh, buddy. I'm going to be out there just driving, you know. Which way? Which hand? Which hand? This hand. And 4-speed. It's a 4-speed transmission. What's crazy is that these cars, this is a 1979. So what? That's almost like what? 46 years, 45 years old. And I think this car looks better than most new cars today. You know? I agree. Don't you think? Like, I think this is a way better looking car than most modern cars. Is it a Targa? No, it's a coupe 911. It's got the, it's a very rare, doesn't have a sunroof. A lot of these cars had sunroofs. This car does not have a sunroof, which makes it a little bit more rare. Pretty much like when it comes to these cars, anything that is special about them can make them more rare. Anything that's not the same as everybody else. So it has no sunroof. So definitely is a good opportunity. I got it from an auction. I bought it from an auction for $99,000. I already got an offer for $120,000 on it, but I think I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. This is my investment plan. Buying old Porsches. Buying old Porsches, baby. I got two other Porsches coming as well. It looks surprisingly modern for a car built in the 70s. Well, that's because it's timeless. You know what I mean? Like it's just a timeless style. It'll always be in style because it's just that sexy. The curves, the body lines, the headlights. Oh, Lord. She's good looking. She's good looking. Try it, M3. I don't want no M3. Go fuck your M3. Just kidding. Maybe one day. I don't know. I think there's a better market for the Porsches. Better market for Porsches just because there's a really, really big fan club. I could basically always sell this thing forever. Like, no matter what, there always will be a buyer of this car. Like, I could be, like, you know what I mean? Like, if I want to sell it, bam, sell it. Why don't you buy any BMWs? Why? I don't want to buy BMWs. We all shut up. God. What about a CTSV? Gay. That's gay. I'm not buying any car. I don't want to buy any car that is not fucking 1990 or older. Everything new is a waste of money. Market's open, by the way. Let's go. But yes, I'm not buying anything new anymore. No more new cars. Only old cars. And more AP watches. All right, Nasdaq took out this low so far. Watching the ES here. Can we start to push back up? It's a good time to be good, if you know what I mean. It's a good time to be good. Still just kind of holding up there at the lows right now. Should maybe a little squeeze back up here, possibly. Possibly. What are we thinking? A little squeeze back up, maybe above a 65 level. ES needs to get back above. If the ES gets back above 410s, Nasdaq will start to squeeze here. Right now, just stuck there at the 365.50 area on the Nasdaq for now. 350s again, pulling back. Nasdaq trying to make up its mind here. Are they going to trap the bears or bulls? Someone's going to get trapped here. Below that 350 area could be bad news for the bulls. But above 365s might be bad news for the bears. Somebody's getting fucked. I don't know who it's going to be, but somebody is getting fucked here. There's that 365 test again. Watch that 350 area. If we can't hold 350s, we might be selling off. If we get through the 65s, could squeeze up there really quickly. 65s, right there at that pivot point. We got the VWAP all the way up there at the 82s. Trouble again there at the 65s. She's holding for now, but we lose 350s. Bears are going to try to take this downtown. Still holding there at the 55s. Watching those 65 area here. Will we squeeze? Do we sell? So many opportunities, so little time. Very tight range here. Very tight range. Something's about to happen. We're going to get a move. Something's going to happen here. Get ready. Hold on to your fucking pants. Hold on to your panties. It's getting fucking tight. She's consolidating, getting real tight. Still holding up there. Trying to get through the 65s there now. I might try to take a little. Oh, I gotta make them set up my accounts again. Fuck. These are the new funded accounts with MFFU, so I haven't had them set up yet. There's that break to the upside there. This could start to squeeze. Let me see. What are we gonna do here? I'm gonna try. Oh, I'm gonna try the long. Let me see. I'm gonna try a long here. Tight stop below the 60s here. It's either going to start ripping straight up and we're going to get some crazy big boner candle up there to the VWAP, or, well, it pulls back. So let's see. I probably could have entered maybe a little earlier, but I think I'm going to be all right. We're just looking for a nice little green profit in these new accounts here. Nothing crazy. We got yesterday's close there at the 77s possibly to get to, but it's just consolidating here now. I'm going to move this stop just a little lower just to give it a little bit of room here. We're still right there interacting with that EMA. So as long as we can hold that EMA level, we should try to rip up. Little push here again. I want to see us break through the 75s with nice strength here. So I'm looking for 10 points up there at the 79s. Possibly could go a lot more than that, to be honest. But these are brand new accounts. I'm not going to be greedy on a Friday. Not going to be greedy on a Friday. Get my 10 points and call it a fucking winner chicken dinner trade right there. Oh, Lord. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't get stuck right there. She's going to go. She's going to go. She's going to go. Just looking for the 79s. We are right there at yesterday's close, man. Come on. I'm going to move this target up some more. Since we're consolidating right there below that level anyway, I'm going to move it up. Why not? Go for a little bit more action here. Moving my stop right there below the 60s again. Just does not want to go, does she? Still hitting that. Here's that little pullback again. Trouble. We might get stopped here. And we're stopped out for now. All right, that's fine. It's all good. We can wait for the next setup here. It's quite annoying. We were so close. She should start possibly dumping here now. We've got out at a good spot at least. If we lose that 50 area, where do we go next? Hard to say. If we're going to dump down there through the 40s there next. I mean, I think the longs, it was the right idea to be long there. We just did not get the breakout, so it is what it is. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and cry about it. Market pulled back now, and it is what it is. All right, we're down there to the 340s. Like, where does this thing got room to go? Maybe 330s or so down there next. If she starts to sell. There's that 330 area now. What's Nvidia doing? Nvidia kind of, you can see how Nvidia got stuck right there at the all-time highs. So I guess that was the sign right there. Seeing how Nvidia got stuck. Right when Nvidia got stuck there, that's when we pulled back here on the Nasdaq as well. We got the 15-minute range coming up as, obviously. We got the 15-minute range, like always. Kind of be patient. Let that next trade set up here. You got plenty of time, my friends. Plenty of time. The ES is still holding up. I do like the fact that the ES is still holding up. If the ES gets above that 410 level, then I think the Nasdaq has to go higher. 410 right now. ES is now ripping back up. I'm not overly bearish here on the Nasdaq, to be honest. So let's see where this 15-minute candle closes at. We took out the lows, the overnight lows. We took out this little low from yesterday. I mean, this would be like the perfect spot to kind of rip this back up now after taking out those lows, right? 15-minute range, less than 50 points. We got 5,300 people watching. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. We're doing it live here at the BDH. Come on now. Show some love on the stream. Someone said we're going down to the 320s. Oh, man. 320s, huh? All right, all right. Well, we are stuck below these EMAs right now. If we stay below this 350 area long enough, downside looks good. But you can see, like, there is the potential that if this gets above 355, 360 area, that could rip straight back up here. If they start to push it through that 21 EMA, right? The line in the sand. We're right in the middle of the 15-minute range, basically. We got 3 minutes left here. This is a great time to just be patient. Let the market come to us. Come to me, baby. Come to me. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. I got you, guys. I got you. I got y'all. I know the perfect song for this right now. I know the perfect song for this moment in time. There's only one song. And one song only. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. You got sex appeal. That's the Nasdaq. By the way, the girl that we're talking about is the Nasdaq, okay? The Nasdaq, she got that sex appeal, all right? We got that sex appeal live at the BDH. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's do something. I mean, it's looking squeezy, but the great thing is there's plenty of room here, right? You got this right now. Above this area, it's like we got plenty of room to the upside. So I don't think there's really any need to trade inside of this right now. There's that squeeze that we were talking about. It's happening. The ES is trying to get up there. Nasdaq's trying to get up there. This is that key level for the ES right now, that 410s, right? We're right there at the VWAP on the ES. If the ES starts ripping, I think Nasdaq will follow. Got Nvidia trying to push back up here as well. Nvidia kind of looking a little like it could break out here as well. We just need something to happen. Your legs shake, you make me go crazy. Didn't Yancy so butterfly and so evil. And by the way, right now, we got all kinds of deals in the space. We got Funding Ticks 35% off. We got MFFU 25% off. We got Apex 90% off. We got Take Profit Trader 40% off. You got the best deals always with the code PW. All right, Nasdaq trying to push back up here, 365, little breakout right there. That maybe should have been my entry, but like I said, let's wait for this. Let's get out of this opening range. Get out of the opening range here. Like shake, you make me go crazy. Come, my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. All right, back to focus, people. Back to the focus here. Let's make some money, chat. Let's make some money today. Need to make some money. All right, 15-minute range has now been set. We've got the dotted line being yesterday's close. Nasdaq needs to get above yesterday's close here to get the bulls going, get the squeeze started. Can we get some boner candles? Need some boner candles. Boner candles. Come, my lady. You're my butterfly, sugar, baby. We got that pivot point right there as well. 367 on the pivot point. Come on, Nasdaq. Got to do something here. Take that pivot point to the moon, chat. Take it to the moon. The ES is still stuck there below that 410 area. So, might be some hesitation once again on the Nasdaq. Just no clear direction yet. We're still inside the opening range for now. We need action. We need it fast. We need it hard. We need to go strong. Strong, hard, long. Hard, strong, long. See, now like the ES is kind of looking scary. ES is pulling back here. ES got stuck there, kind of that triple top. Nasdaq a little disconnected. There's no follow through yet. No follow through yet. Trouble. ES pulling back, Nasdaq pulling back. Who's going to win the battle here? The bears, the bulls. Little bull flag setting up. If we get through that 370 area, see if we take out the opening range high up there to the 380s next. She's getting real tight. I never seen something so tight. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Is that wrong? Is it wrong to love the tightness? Is it wrong to love the tightness? Daddy wants it. I want to go so hard right now. I want to go so hard here. I want to get it so hard. I took a short earlier, got back to green on the day. We're green on the day now. We got, oh, there's the long. Through the 70s now, up there to the 80s. We're right there at the highs, boys. Woo! Oh, and by the way, if you're just now tuning in, we talked about this idea that if the market gets back above that 360 area, well, the bulls are in control. So that 350, 360 area, very clear. Bears are in control below 350s. The bulls are in control above the 360s. Now, pushing up there to the opening range high. We need a little bit of a pullback. I need a little bit of a pullback here. Give me a little bit of a pullback here. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't be stupid. I do not want to see the Nasdaq go straight to the moon, but anything is possible. The fact, I'm a little, hold on a second. Hold on. What's the ES doing? Why is the ES doing what it's doing? ES is like right, it's still, we're inside the 15-minute range on the ES here. Is this a trick question? Is this a trick question? Trick question. I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried now. I want to see the ES start to make a move back up here. Let's see if we can get that pullback here. If we get a pullback into the 70s again, I might look for a long. I want to touch that blue line right there. That's my 9 EMA here on the 1-minute chart. I want to see a retest of that. We might not get it, though. We might not get it. The longs are in control, trying to push 380s now. Oh, Lord, come on. Don't do that to me now. I hate when it does this. Don't you hate when it does this? When it just goes to the moon without you? This was the setup right there, man. That was it. You can see how we dipped down, touched the EMA, popped up there. That's 15 points. It's still going higher. Oh, Lord. Well, the next level is 21,400s here now. 21,400s. All right. Be patient, everybody. We're breaking out of the opening range high here. Let's get a little pullback. The ES, oh, fuck me. These little micro pullbacks always, I want more. Give me this like 75 area maybe. I want to see a wick off 75s. I want to see a wick off. Give me a little wick here. There we, ooh, I like that. I'm going to try that dip. Let's ride it. Let's ride it. Stop will be right here at the 65s. And then I might take a quick 10 points. Why not? If we can get it. Get some volatility here, baby. All right. Little push. Little push. What time is it? 9:50? We don't have no news today. The music just stopped. That's awkward. That's really awkward. It's very, very awkward. Oh, God. Can you take me higher to a place with golden things? We need the song. Where's the song at? Creed. I need it right now, Creed. I need the Creed. I need the Creed. There's only one song. And one song alone that we can play. Oh, we already got filled. Never mind. We don't need it. We don't need the Creed. We don't need the Creed. We got filled. Yeah. 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 God damn, chat. God damn, chat. God damn, chat. All right. So these are our new MFFU evals that are now funded accounts. We passed these accounts. We passed them just the other day, or well, just yesterday, in 2 days, live on YouTube. Now we're up $230 per account. We had a little loss at the beginning, but hey, we stayed focused, right? We stayed focused. Look at that pullback. We tapped the EMA. Daddy gets long. Daddy takes profit. That is how you trade, my friends. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. All right? We got 5,000 people watching right now. The biggest, the largest. It's undeniable that we are him. We are him. I'm doing this for free, live on YouTube every day. Look at it. Look at it. It's going up. I told everybody, wait for that pullback. Hit that little blue line. Ding, 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 ding. We are doing it, chat. We are doing it. Tell everybody out there in the world that we're doing it. Everybody's winning. Winning. Who's winning? We're winning. Oh my God, it's going higher. Oh my God. Let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Every change. Take me higher. God, I love being good. Not only am I fucking good looking, I am motherfucking good at this game, my friends. There is nobody, and I'm telling you, there's nobody who drinks as much C4 as I do, and has as much sex as I do, and makes as much money as I do live on YouTube. It's facts. The facts cannot be denied. Can you take me higher? God, I love it. I just love it, man. I love you guys. I love all of you. I love everybody. I love everybody. I love everybody. Yes. Yes, I love you. I love it. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, man. No cap, though. No cap. No cap. Nothing but the truth here. I love you guys. We fucking did it. You know what I mean? Like, we fucking did it. Think about that. Like, we fucking did it. You know what I mean? Like, we fucking did it, boys. You know, like, honestly, though, we fucking did it. Like, it's like, I'm just being honest. Like, we fucking did it. You know, like honestly, to think about that, we did it. Like, really, though, like, we fucking did it today. You know? We fucking did it, man. You're like, well, what did we do? I'm like, well, I don't know what we did, but we did it. The market's still going higher. I got a long in my personal account from the 37s right now up to the 400s, 70 points. I like making money and I cannot lie. My mama don't tell me why, but when a big old booty walks in, I get sprung. God, I fucking love this shit. You know what I mean? I fucking love this shit. If you don't wake up in the morning, you don't fucking love this shit, then just go do something else. You know what I mean? Just go do something fucking else. Because this shit, if you don't love it, then don't fucking do it. That is the truth. That is the 100% the motherfucking truth right here, my friends. Look at this thing. Still going higher. You can still be long when daddy told you to get long, you know, if you want to follow daddy will show you the way. Like I said, we break through the opening range high, a little pullback, we tapped right into that EMA, and look at it. Look, 40 points. And don't be like, but Patrick, you never tell me. Is there anybody in the chat that did not know to get long? Did anybody? If you did, you're fucking blind. You motherfucking blind, deaf, and dumb. All at the same time. Fucking made sweet, sweet love. Made sweet, sweet love with this motherfucker. Nvidia up to the 174s. Come on. Come on. We ain't ever gonna sell. I'm holding forever. Forever. What a fucking time to be alive. God, I just love it, man. I don't know anybody. I can't imagine doing anything else, you know? Like, I can't imagine it. There ain't nothing else out there that's gonna do it for me anymore. I fucking love, like, this, it's the ultimate, right? This is the ultimate fucking job where you can do whatever the fuck you want to do every day and ain't nobody gonna tell you what the fuck to do and how to do it, right? Imagine fucking working for the rest of your life and working for some fucking moron at your boss, you know, you like, come on now. That is some, people be like, Patrick, day trading's risky. You know, I'm like, you know what's fucking risky? You know what's really risky? fucking working for some asshole for the rest of your life. You know, like that's fucking risky. I'm good. I'm gonna pass on that. You know, I'm good on that. I don't need none of that bullshit. People be like, but Patrick, how do you know you're gonna make money? I'm like, I don't fucking know, but ain't nobody know nothing. You know what? Ain't nobody know. Like, not even about knowing, but ain't nobody know nothing. That's just the truth, though. It don't matter what you do in life. If you work at fucking McDonald's, you don't know you're gonna fucking have a job forever. It's just fugazi, man. Day trading is the ultimate because it is actually the skill. It's a skill that you have forever. You can day trade for the rest of your fucking life. Ain't nobody gonna tell you when to stop, how to stop, and where to fucking do it. You got a problem? Just fucking make more money. You got problems? Make more money. Work harder. Love it more. You gotta love this shit, though. Don't get no bullshit, you know. Don't fucking come to me and be like, Patrick, I can't make no money. I'm like, well, go fuck yourself. I ain't here to hold your hand. I ain't here to hold your hand. All right, do we get another breakout here through the 400s again? Nvidia pulling a little bull flag set up there. Nasdaq holding up here above the opening range high. We got the VWAP down there at the 79s. I'd say if we get above 400s, then you're looking at like 425, 430 to the upside. Right now, just kind of good time to be patient here. Maybe get some more wicks to the downside here, back into like this 370 area even. Theo, he's crying out of laughter. I'm just that funny, man. I'm a funny motherfucker, Theo. I'm a funny motherfucker. I make everybody laugh, even the markets. I told y'all that song earlier this morning. Remember that song earlier this morning? Come, come, my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar, baby. This song worked. You gotta love the Nasdaq. You gotta love her. You gotta caress her. You gotta hold her hand. You gotta tell her you love her. Tell her you're never gonna leave her. Tell her you're gonna keep on holding that hand forever, baby. I'm here for you. I'm here for you.
I used to think you're fugazi, but I gave you a chance.
Bro, made $700 this week. You thought I was a fugazi? People think I'm a fugazi? People think I'm the fugazi? How can I be the fugazi? All I do is I do it live on YouTube every day. Every day. I do this shit on YouTube every day. That's the funny part. People will be like, yeah, man, I don't, Patrick Wieland, he ain't legit. You know who is legit though? Tori Trades. I'm gonna give her $5,000. Instead of watching Patrick Wieland live on YouTube for free, I'm gonna pay fucking Tori Trades $5,000 to learn to trade. Right? Like that's how people think. They're like, well, if Patrick's free on YouTube, he must not be that good. You know, he must not be that good, you know? Because he'd be like, just I don't have a straw right now, but it'd be like, you know when you're drinking a drink and you're like, oh, where's the hole? Oh God, oh there it is. Ugh. Hobo Joe rips trades. Ain't nobody fucking legit. Why am I the biggest? Why am I the largest, Hobo? Think about that. Think about that. Ain't nobody doing this what we're doing here. Nobody. Get the fuck out of here. Ain't nobody doing it. Ain't nobody else doing it like this. We the biggest. We the largest. The biggest. The largest. Yeah, Tori Trades is fucking lonely. She needs your $5,000 so she can have friends. God, I swear, if there's anybody in my chat, if you give Tori, I'm telling you, if you paid Tori Trades $5,000, I will fly you to the BDH first class, right? Is there anybody in the chat? Have you paid $5,000 for this course? I will put you first class in a plane. I'm going to fly you to the BDH. I'm going to sit you down next to me, and I'm going to just laugh at you for the whole live stream. Ha, 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 like that. Ha, ha, just laughing. Because like, you're fucking retarded. You fucking retard. God, you make retards look retarded. Fucking, even the retards be making fun of you for being so retarded. That's how fucking retarded you are. Think about that. That is bad. Even when the retards be making fun of you. Literally, some fucking retard be like, you know, that's you retarded. You know? It's a true story. I'm not even being inappropriate here. Dude, I found the photo of Tory Trade's followers. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh man. This is a live video of Tory Trade's followers. There they are. We found them. I'm going to hell. I am going to hell. Kind of looks like me. That's my haircut. Oh fuck. That's Tory Trades, and that's her. That's the person who paid $5,000. Bro, that's fucked up. That's fucked up, but it's kind of funny though. Don't cancel me, internet. There's Tory Trades right here, and then this is her followers. Yeah, give me the. I want the trade lines. I want the. Oh, she's giggling like. Oh, simple Jack. Oh man. I might not be a smart man, Jenny, but I know when I see a retard. I know when I see a retard. I know when I see a retard. Do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here right now, baby. Pulling back. Let's see what else we got. Who else is how we doing today, boys? We making money today or what? We making money today or what? We making money today or what? Bro, can everybody go tell Tanya? Can we all go to Tanya's stream and tell her to text me back? I texted her yesterday, but she wouldn't text me back. I apologized. I said, please text me. Let's be friends again. But now she won't text me back. It's messed up. Just go tell her that I want to apologize. I apologize. We can be friends again, please. Please. She won't. Somebody help me. Help! Tanya! Tanya! We used to be friends, Tanya. We used to be friends. Why can't we be friends anymore? Please. I tried to get her to come to the BDH. She said she don't want to come to BDH. It's fucked up. Nasdaq still trying to push up here higher. Her mod's deleting the chat. Damn it. That's messed up. That's messed up, chat. I showed Tanya the world. I gave her the world. And what'd she do to me? She blocked me. It's fucked up, man. That's fucked up. That's some fucked up shit, honestly. I don't even get it, man. Look at this. I got the video. Look at us. Back in the day. This is on her channel, too. Man, what happened? Then she banned me for life. We used to be friends. Tanya, come back. Tanya, let's be friends again. Let's be friends again. I don't think I can be friends with Tori. I think I crossed the line with Tori. All right, I'm still long. I got one contract long from the 36s on my personal account right now. So, see what happens here. This is my trade. The average was 45, but now it's 36s. So I got one contract left. I took some profit into the 400s already. I was telling you, man, them longs. Also, the reason that I really like the longs as well this morning is the fact that, like, after we swiped all this, you know, it's just like wick. All those wicks yesterday, really strong. This idea of kind of pushing up here to the 400s. We talked about the weekly candle as well, right? That weekly candle, kind of where we would close at, was kind of thinking that 400 level, leaving a little bit of wick on top, right? Would be kind of possible there. So the ES has not broken to the upside. So the Nasdaq kind of just on a tear. Looks like we might get some pullback here. Nvidia kind of topping out there as well. It's Friday. You never know what's going to happen, man. You just never know. I should get the humble trader at the BDH. I don't know if that's going to... I don't know how that's going to work. Humble trader, please come to the BDH. Humble trader, come to the BDH, please. Please come to the BDH. What's funny is people don't know this. People don't know this, but the truth is, Humble Trader, she's one of my biggest fans back in the day. True story. I'm not even joking. Like, really, though. Way back in the day, man, she was my #1 fan. And now look at her. On top of the world. On top of the world. Now she's not anymore. Nasdaq still just going higher and 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 higher. Nasdaq still pushing. I'm gonna see if we can't get up there towards that 430 area possibly today. Look at the ES right now, just ripped up there. ES is on a tear right here, back to the highs. The potential is there. You know, the potential is there. What's crazy is we've got over 1,000 more viewers than even our competition has right now. That is crazy when you think about it. Up here into the 410s now. Again, Nasdaq breaking out to the upside. Do we got more to run? Oof. I'm up $5,000 in my personal account right now. I'm trying to figure out, do I take the profit? We're up $1,300 on this last runner right now. $1,300 on this last runner. Is there more room to the upside? The $1 million question here. Y'all said take profit. Well, fuck. What if I don't want to? What if I don't want to, motherfuckers? What if I don't want to? $420. I'm gonna aim for that 420 level. Why not? 420s, baby. Let's get that 420 push. Let's get high today. It's Friday, boys. Come on, it's Friday. We're getting high today. High on a Friday. All right, all right. 412s. Go a little bit more, baby. Give me that 420 push right here, right now. 415s. Oh, we love to see it. Oh, we love it. I want some more of it. I tried so hard. Can't rise above it. I don't know what I'm doing with my little lady looking. I love it. I want it. I want some more of it. I tried so hard. Okay, Nasdaq. 420s. Let's get it. Let's get high, Nasdaq. Let's get high. Gary Elliott passed 5 Apex accounts with the code PW. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
asked ChatGPT to analyze Patrick Wieland's $200 trading course. The strategy, the rules.
I love this shit. This fucking guy, he made a video on TikTok.
Strategy broken down. You'll use the 3-minute chart stacking EMAs.
Does
8, the 21, and the 51. VWAP for bias, MACD chart stacking people
like
actually
this guy is so full of shit. This is what he says my strategy is. Somebody show me where the fuck I use the 51 EMA, where I use the MACD. Where? What this like the guy he hasn't even bought my course. And he's making a video about my strategy. That's fucking crazy. I don't use the MACD. Somebody show me where I fucking use the MACD. I've never used the MACD. He makes a whole video about my course, about Patrick Wieland saying it's a scam. Literally, what a joke. You gotta love the internet. Patrick Wieland uses the MACD. I used the MACD probably, what was that, 3 years ago? And then I said it doesn't work, so I stopped using it. Yes, I used it a long time ago, but this is saying my current course. No, he's saying it's the $200 course right now that I have.
I asked ChatGPT to analyze.
So first off is that he used ChatGPT. He used ChatGPT to analyze the Only PropFirm's course. Nowhere in the course do we talk about MACD. Nowhere. And then it's also like, none of the things he's talking about do we talk about. Like, this guy made a whole video with ChatGPT to talk shit about me. What a fucking moron. You ain't going nowhere, dumbass. There's a reason no one watches your fucking videos. Because you fucking dumb. Idiot boy. God. He's got 39 people watching right now. What a fucking kook. Let's go see. Who the fuck is that guy? Imagine going live on YouTube and having 39 people watch you. That sounds terrible. That is terrible. That is terrible, chat. That is terrible. All right, right now Nasdaq pulled back here. 400s again. We kind of just like keep getting these little pullbacks, the push, the pullback, the push. Trade for pay. Everybody has to start somewhere. No, they don't. He ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. I will make it into it. I'll put his YouTube in the grave. You come at Patrick Wieland. Tell me one person that's benefited from coming after Patrick Wieland. Think about that. Think about that. Really, honestly, think about that. Name one person who has benefited from going to war with me. Anybody? Nobody. Exactly. Nobody. Yeah, but Nutty Bar kissed the ring. All right? Nutty Bar kissed the ring. Lance is gay, so that doesn't really matter. Stonk has definitely not benefited. Dakota has not benefited. Nobody has benefited from going to war with Patrick Wieland. Not one person. It's better to be a friend of the BDH than be the enemy. Yeah, Danny Trades. Danny Trades had to leave his own business. Trades by Matt. How many viewers does Trades by Matt have these days? Let's see. Trades by Matt has 800 people watching him right now. Wow. 800. That's rough. Only 800. Oof. Gotta get those numbers up, bro. Gotta bump up those numbers. Ain't nobody got more than me. Come on. Nobody. Name one live stream who's got more viewers than me right now. Nobody. Nobody. I mean, even Tanya's only got 2.9 thousand. I could literally just sit here and poop on the live poop here. Traders TV is not, they're not prop firm traders. They trade stocks. So totally different ball game. They're trading stocks. It is not the same thing. This is what they're trading. They're trading stocks. They're trading Google options and stuff. So they have a bigger market for that. The futures market is way smaller than stocks. If all I did was trade stocks, I would have more viewers too. So, it's just different, totally different thing. Totally different thing, man. All right, so to recap, we locked in $230 here in our new My Funded Futures accounts. These are the core accounts that are currently 25% off. And that deal is only going to last, I believe, today, maybe tomorrow for the weekend, and then it's back to normal pricing. So if you're interested in My Funded Futures, this is your last chance. It's the last chance, okay? The last chance. All right, the ES broke out of the opening range high here. Nasdaq should try to push up here 420s or more now. We're just kind of consolidating here at the top of the opening range on the Nasdaq. So we're making moves. We're making moves. Moves. And then also new today is the Funding Ticks dashboard. I'll show you guys my little dashboard here. Check this bad boy out. Ooh, buddy. There's my P&L curve. We're up. This is a 100K account. The 100K account, this thing's like hard to see, but 100K account, and it's the instant master account with Tradeovate. We are currently up 17,000 in this account. I don't really know what this means. I don't know if it stop loss usage. It doesn't even register stop loss usage. Uh-oh. Whoopsies. But this is where I'm at currently. We are so close, man, to a whole month of green. Started last month on the 30th there in this account, and it's been green, 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 green again today. We are getting very close to my next payout here as well. I think, oh yeah, we passed the consistency already. It shows you over there, it says passed. So this is the new dashboard. What else to look at here? A lot of cool stuff in there.
Which trading view plan do you pay for?
What do I pay for? So, yeah, we got about a 77% win-loss ratio right now. So, I'm okay with that, man. I'm okay with that. You know, haters gonna hate, but play is gonna play. If you ever want to really want to really mess with somebody on YouTube, if you really want to like see if someone's legit or not, go to someone's live stream, right? And ask them, go, hey, can you pull up your monthly chart? Can you pull up your stats for the month? Ask them. See what they say. You know what they'll say? They'll be like, oh, I can't. It's got my private information on it. It's my private information. This is my private information. Does funding ticks take 5 days to request a payout? Well, like to request it or like to pay it? They pay it pretty quick, but I don't know about 5 days to request it. But look at this. Last week. This week. This month. Again, guys, what do we want to focus on here? It's not about the big picture, right? Well, it is about the big picture. It isn't about the profit, the daily profit, right? Because if you look, this week, we've made $5,000 trading this week. All right. That's not that impressive. We look at last week, we made $6,000. We look at the month, we made $20,000. That's 3 accounts. 3 accounts. For how much? For $60,000. That's the big picture that we want to focus on here. The fact that, hey, those small profits, $6,000, $5,000 a week, by the end of the month, you're looking real fucking good. You're looking real good. Yes, funding ticks pays through Rise. R-I-S-E, Rise. All right, all right. Let's go. La Rosa trades. 250 bucks. All right, all right, all right. Love to see it. Love to see it. But again, like I said, go to your favorite live streamer's stream, right? Go there and ask them one simple question. One simple question that anybody should be able to answer, right? Anybody should be like, oh, you want to see my account history?
Take over. Watch out, Jane or tears of joy.
Sentient markets. I don't think so. Definitely not. But just because, deleted. Deleted. Get out of here. Ain't nobody gonna go watch your fucking sentient market bullshit fucking live stream, bro. Get out of here with that shit. But again, go to your favorite live streamer. Ask them to show you the simple stats.
I got no more
Boom.
emails.
Boom.
To be evaluated for limits.
Boom.
I blew my account. What do I do to get back trading G with Apex?
How do you get back to trading with Apex? It might be time to move on, my friend. Might be time to move on to a new prop firm. Nvidia trying to push back up. Nasdaq pushing back up. Patrick, can you show your stats? I just showed them. Look. Look. I just showed them. This month. $20,000. Tom Hogan. Tom Hogan, guys. Tom Hogan can suck on my big old you know what. And tell him I said that as well. This guy sits around just talking and talking and talking and talking. The best-selling trading psychology book, Best Losers Win. Best loser wins.
When we racing our Mustangs on stream.
Oh, you want to race? Funded Futures Network? I'll take you out any day, boy. I'll take you out any day, boy.
I've only gotten 3 payouts. Never 2 on 1 ACC.
Nasdaq still kind of push up here. The Bears are definitely not winning, that's for sure. But bit of just a chop zone here now. We're at that all-time high, man. It's a tough spot. It really is, you know. It's just like it's a tough spot there. Bro. Dude. AI is wild. Look at this video I just watched. What is this video? What? That was freaky. Dude, AI be doing some crazy stuff these days. Look at this guy. Oh. Wow. Ooh, a burger. Oh! Where'd my burger go? What's this girl got going on? Whoa. Dude. IKEA box? What's in the IKEA box? What? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Y'all ever put IKEA furniture together? Yeah, right. You be sitting there for fucking 20 hours trying to figure that shit out. Got the slap battle with a fucking panda. Oh. That looks real. That looks so real. Look at that cat. I can see that happening in real life. But the problem is the headphones, they're not even on her ears. How's that cat hearing it's not on the ears? See, look, AI don't know that kind of shit. That's why I'll never be replaced. That's why AI can never replace me, because it don't know that kind of shit. See, I knew right away. I'm like, hey, you gotta fix the ears, bro. Fix the ears. Oh, shoes. Whoa. Impact. Crazy. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here now. Back through the 23,400s. We got the VWAP down here, 83s. Something got to happen. Something got to happen, man. The cat has 4 ears? No way. Really? I did not know this. Do they really have 4 ears? Let me see. No way. Does a cat have 4 ears? Dude, no. They don't. They don't have 4 ears, bro. Sometimes, but it don't happen all the time. See, most cats only have 4 ears. What other questions should we ask? Is Patrick Wieland the #1 day trader on YouTube? This would be awkward. In conclusion, Patrick Wieland is a popular and successful, but it's hard to definitely say if he's #1. Damn. Fuck you, AI. Fuck you, AI. How about this? Is Patrick Wieland the #1 watched live PropFirm futures trader on YouTube? What the, yeah, I know. it's not verified? How is it not verified? How is it not verified? What the fuck? This is bullshit. Based on view count. Oh my God, 420. The Nasdaq just got high, chat. Holy shit, 420s. What is happening? 420, 420. All right, based on the views, this is the facts. This is such bullshit. This is such bullshit. This AI they're whack as fuck. Whack as fuck. This is some whack ass shit right now. AI be whacked out. They don't know what they're talking about. How is it not a fact? Let's do the fact for the AI. Let's make the AI learn something here. Let's go make the AI learn. Okay, we're gonna make the AI learn. All right, first off, we got Top Step TV with 3.8 thousand watching. Okay, that means we're number one. We got Tanya Trades. How many does she got? How many does she got? How many does she got? What the fuck? Go, internet, go. She got 2.9. All right, who else? Who else has got more? Matt's got 800. Let's do more math. Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar got 200. Who else? Who else? Tradeify TV. What do they got? They got 800. My Funny Futures got 655. Look at FSP. FSP Trading. How many he got? He got 2,000. He got 2,000 watching. Trading with Matt. He got 9,000. What's Ninja Trader got? They got 800. Yeah, motherfucking AI. What's up, Google? What's up, Google? Was it that hard to do the fucking math? Yeah. What's up, Google? Yeah, go fuck yourself, Google. Fucking AI bullshit. I did the math, and Patrick Wieland has the most live stream viewers in PropFirm futures trading. Yeah. So fuck yourself, AI. What do you gotta say about that now? What are you gonna say now? Yeah, no. Put this info in your brain. This point has been noted. Yes. Who has the most viewers live on YouTube futures trading prop firms? Why does it not fucking listen to me? No. Based on actual view count, who has the most viewers on YouTube live stream futures trading? What is wrong with this fucking AI? How does it not? There is no conclusive data. How is it not conclusive? How is it not conclusive? How is it not fucking conclusive? Patrick Wieland has the most live stream viewers in the prop firm space. How does it? It says the search results do not provide definitive comparative data. What in the fuck? Yeah, FSP buys his viewers. That dude is so fucking full of shit. You know that, right? You know he's fucking botting his viewers. Dude is such a joke. Yeah, look, now he's got 7,000. Like, dude is botting. He's just botting his viewers. He went from, he had 2,000, now he's got 7,000. Get the fuck out of here. He is not legit. He's not, who the fuck is FSP? Exactly, nobody. He's nobody. Get out of here. There's only one day trader on YouTube who does it like I do it, and that's me. 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 Yeah. Ask FSP. Ask FSP. Where's his name at on the Apex leaderboard? Where's it at? Number 1, Patrick Wieland, $355,000 in payouts in June. In June. Where's he at? Nowhere. Nowhere. No. Why? Where's everybody at? Where's all the other influencers at? Who was number 1 on the Tradeify leaderboard? Patrick Wieland. All right. My girlfriend's texting me right now. She said if I come home right now, she'll make love to me. And I said, well, honey, I'm live on YouTube. I can't go home right now. I can't. When do we get a house tour? I don't know. Should I do a house tour? I don't know. The last time I did a house tour, my house got swatted. Probably not a good idea to do a house tour. Because you fuckers. Bunch of assholes. Dude, who the fuck they got on Bloomberg right now? Hey, hey. Somebody needs to get me on Bloomberg. Someone get me on Bloomberg. I need to be on Bloomberg. Or CNBC. Who's got the connections? Hey, by the way, hey, really quickly. if y'all can do me one big favor, I know you ain't got to do a lot for me, but do me one big favor, and this ain't even for me, right? If you live in the Central Florida area, right? If you live in the Central Florida area and you're looking for a roof, my dad has a business. He's been in business for over 40 years. He is terrible at social media. He is terrible at marketing himself, but he does one of the best roofs that you could ever get. Like I said, he's got top of the line. He's been around the business for over 40 years. He's done big houses, little houses, all the houses. He's got a full team, got it all set up. He'll come to your house. He'll give you the best deal he can give you. It won't be the cheapest deal because, well, he's going to do a good job. But if you need a roof, if you need a repair, if you need some construction done, maybe an awning, maybe something small, he's also a general contractor. Hit him up. He's the guy, Andy Wieland, over there at Orange County Roofing. Check him out. But yeah, show some love to the old man. That's pretty much like Orlando, Sanford, Oviedo, wherever you are in Central Florida. He can help you out. Also do gutters, whatever you need. He'll get you set up. So big shout out to Orange County Roofing there in Orlando, Florida. But like I said, he'll do pretty much the whole area of Central Florida. If you need a roof, you got a roof leaking, you got some construction that needs to be done, whatever it is, give him a call. Lake Mary, he'll go everywhere, man. So, but yeah, I would really appreciate anybody out there if you could give my dad a chance to let him do the work for you or give you a quote on a roof. I know he would really appreciate it. I'd appreciate it. I'm not making any money off this, by the way. I'm not like over here getting a cut of every roof that he sells or anything like that. But people always ask me, like, Patrick, why don't you retire your dad? And I'm like, well, instead of retiring my dad, why not just make him lots of money or help him make some money? So that's what we're trying. So hit him up. Orange County Roofing in Orlando, Florida. Pretty much Orlando, Sanford, everywhere, Lake Mary, anywhere you need them. South in the middle, Central Florida. Woo, baby. Somebody says, come to Italy. We'll build a house that will last centuries. You're not wrong. The houses in Florida are built like fucking cardboard boxes. Isn't it fucked up? You just can't give a family member a bunch of money. Well, I mean, the problem is, even if like my dad, even if I gave him a bunch of money, like what would he do? You know what I mean? Like he's just like, he ain't dead, so like he ain't gonna quit working no matter what. Like I could give him $1 million and he would still be working just because he got nothing else to do. So I'm like, hey, he don't need no money. Will you go tell FSP to go suck my dick? I don't want him fucking God blessing me, okay? Fucking weirdo. God. Anybody who's on live stream on YouTube fucking day trading and talking about God, you're a fucking psychopath. Get out of here. We got no time for that shit. Dude is literally whacked out. Why does Pops not trade like you? Because trading ain't easy, man. Not everybody can trade. He's been roofing for 40 years. Let the guy do what he's good at, okay? But again, like I said, like not that I'm an atheist or anything like that, but when people use God as a way to manipulate followers and talk about how God and trading, like I saw a guy the other day, he's selling a Discord and it's like Traders for Christ. And he's literally selling a Discord called Traders for Christ. Like, that's fucking crazy. I'm like, what? You make money off a Discord that you are claiming has to do with Christ? What is this? What is this fucking, what is this, New Age church? Got a New Age church? Hey, everybody, join my Discord. Every morning before the market open, we pray to Jesus Christ. And then we trade and we make money. In the name of the Holy Father, the Saint, and the Mother Teresa, and all the fun stuff, okay?
Just did deep research on ChatGPT for most popular YouTube trader in the prop space. You're on top, buddy. Just tweeted the results.
Ooh! I'm on top. ChatGPT knows. The Google AI it's too woke. It's too woke. Also, did you guys see this shit? I am so excited, baby, because we are back. We are back. We are fucking back. You know what I mean? You know why we're back? America is motherfucking back, boys. I will tell you why. I will tell you why we are back. Because this right here. We are fucking back. America is back. That's what I'm talking about. Let's fucking go. Welcome to America. No more woke bullshit. I don't want to see some fucking transvestite wearing fucking jeans. I want to see fucking Sydney Sweetie. I want to see Sydney Sweetie. Yes. America, baby. We are back. We are motherfucking back. Woo! The best part is, check this shit out. Check this motherfucking shit out. The news came out yesterday, right? The news came out on Wednesday about this shit. The fucking stock price has literally only went up. Ever since this news came out, the stock price is up 15% just because they stopped doing woke bullshit. That is like that right there. I'm just telling you, I'm happy to be American again, right? We are back. We are back. We are back. We're putting tits on fucking ads. We're giving fucking props to beautiful women. We're not saying that everybody should be a man or a woman or be whatever fucking gender. It's back. You're a man or you're a woman, and we don't give a fuck. Let's make America retarded again. Come on. I mean, I don't know who wears American Eagle, but I'm just saying. All right, I'm not going out to buy American Eagle, but what I'm saying here is the fact that, like, finally, right? We went from, like, where we were, oh, look at this. You know, we went from a world where people were more worried about fucking what color your flag was and what color your fucking purple hair was. Now look at it. America is motherfucking back. You know what I mean? America's back. If whoever puts FSP in the chat next, you're getting banned. Nobody cares about FSP praying for me. Go fuck FSP. Literally, what a fucking joke. Let's go. This is what I want to see. I want to see every ad in America looking like this. Fucking blonde hair, big boobies, and tight jeans. And a muscle car. Right? America is number one. Let's go. Sales are through the roof. Stock price is through the roof. Hell yeah. And by the way, I'm not against gay people. All right? I love gay people. I'm gay and I'm retarded. The fact here is, like, we're just back to normality, right? Back to the normal life where it's like, hey, if you want to sell a beer, you know, the best way to sell a beer is to put a hot girl holding a beer. That's how you sell a beer, right? That's the best way to fucking sell a beer in America. And that's it. It's not about being a hater. I don't really care. I'm all for it. You want to be gay? I'm all for it. You know, that's fucking awesome. That is awesome. I'm all for it. But let's get rid of the fucking bullshit, you know, constant bullshit, and let's focus on America again. Let's give props to America. Men, women, America. You know?
Highly transphobic. It's 130.
Oh, we're back. I'm trying to find that fucking Bud Light ad. You know? No more of that shit. Like, look at this shit. No more of this. What is this?
Not it, especially when I have so many holiday looks to pull off.
Google ad.
Just the thing.
Fucking Google.
And it's in stock near.
This is what's wrong with the world.
Hydrated skin is a gift to everyone.
That's a man.
No wrapping needed.
That is a man. That ain't no woman. That ain't no man. That's a woman. That's a woman. That's Google. That's being woke. Let's get rid of the woke shit. When my son asks me what's a fucking man or a woman, I say, well, you either got a pair of balls or you got a vagina, boy. There ain't nothing else. It's a simple theory here. Simple fucking theory. All right? Simple. Simple. Simple theory. All right? There's no other questions. No other questions. But again, I'm just happy that we back. We are back, and we're finally back to a normal fucking world. A normal world of life, you know, just living normal life. I am so excited to just be back to normal fucking life. No more of this bullshit. No more Bud Light ads with this fucking guy. No more. You saw what happened to Bud Light when they ran this ad. Sales plummeted, right? Sales plummeted. Guess what happened? Guess what happened when fucking American Eagle ran an ad with fucking Sydney Sweeney? Went to the moon. Welcome to America, baby. Go woke, go broke. 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 There you go. But also the thing too here is like, I think what we really got lost to the fact of like, same thing with like Jaguar. Look at Jaguar, you know, Jaguar ads. Like Jaguar trying to change their whole vibe, and it just fucking blew up in their face. Ain't nobody buying a Jaguar now. You know, they ain't nobody buying no Jaguar.
Thank you, Barry.
This is a Jaguar ad, right? Back in the day, this is a Jaguar ad. Guy pulls up in a fucking private jet. He gets out. Look at that. Right? This is a Jaguar ad 12 years ago. Look at this guy. Hot girl. Gives him his fucking ticket. He drives off. Jaguar. Right? Like, oh, damn. Like, that's a sick fucking Jaguar ad, right? Awesome. Right? 12 years ago. Makes you want to go out and buy a fucking Jaguar. Right? I'm like, damn, I want a Jaguar now. And then this is the new Jaguar ad. What in the fuck is this? What in the fuck are we watching? What just happened? I want to know who in their right mind was like, yes. Let's make a new ad for Jaguar and not have anything cool in it. Let's do that. Let's do that. That'd be a great idea. I gotta find. Look at, like, this is literally the fucking. Oh my god, it was so bad. Jaguar. God. This is the Jaguar ad they ran recently. Like, what is this? This is the Jaguar ad. Why? What is this? What am I watching right now? Delete ordinary. What is this? That's a man. Or maybe a woman. I don't even, can't tell. That might be a woman, actually. A woman looked like a man. This is a Jaguar ad, and I'm like, what? That's the Jaguar ad. You know, it's just like, look, Jaguar ad 20 years ago. Oh, the old ad, Jaguar. It's good to be bad.
Maybe we just sound right.
Oh. You know what I mean? Like, are you kidding me?
More focused. More precise. We're always one step ahead. With a certain style. An eye for detail. And we're obsessed by power. Stiff upper lip is key.
Like, how much better is this fucking ad? Like, come on. Shit is so much better.
It's good to be bad.
Look at that. Like, how fucking epic is that? It's good to be bad, right? Like, that is epic. That is, you're speaking to the fucking person who wants to buy a Jaguar, right? Like, it's like, damn. I want to be a fucking villain, you know? I want to be the bad guy. I want to fucking roll up in my Jaguar and be like, what up, bitches? You know? Amazing. Amazing. But then this is what Jaguar gave us. This is what Jaguar gets me now. Look at that. What a great ad. Where the fuck's the car at? Where the fuck's the hot girls? Where's the private jet? Nowhere. Fucking nowhere. So bad, man. So bad. All right, right now, Nasdaq just chopping around here, 23,400s. I don't really think there's much to do here. It's Friday. This thing could just chop around here for the rest of the fucking day. Who knows? Who knows? Honestly, if you're sitting here trying to trade, I would be like, nah, don't be dumb. Go watch some ads. Go watch some woke ads. Make yourself have some more fun. But yeah, why, man? Like, ugh. It's just, again, it's like, why do these companies try to cater to someone who is not their target audience? right? Like who's gonna buy a Jaguar? The woke guy who has no money, or the rich guy who has a private jet? You know, like, I don't know. I'm confused. Who could it possibly be? I don't, you know, like, what? You know what I mean? Like, what? Hold on a second. You know what? What? When will I trade next? I'll trade on Monday. I think Monday is probably the better day to trade. Look at this 5-minute chart right now. Yeah. So that's what I do, right? I don't cater to everybody. There's a lot of people on the internet that hate me, and I'm fine with that. Because at least I stay true to who I am. You know, I've stayed true to who I am for the last 8 years. I don't fucking bend the knee. I don't listen to other people. I do what I think is right. I do what I think I want to, you know, like I stand on my own shit. During COVID, I did not get vaccinated. I didn't fucking listen to some idiots on the internet going, you got to get vaccinated. You're going to die. You're going to die if you don't. I'm like, motherfuckers, I got bit by a boar. Right there. Look at that. That is a scar from a wild boar. There's a wild boar right there. Look at that. Bam. Wild boar. You think I'm going to die from COVID? You think COVID's going to kill me? Look at this. I got a knife tattooed on me. Look at that. That's the boar. That's the boar. That's the knife. That's the boar. Look at that. Boar. Boar. You think I'm going to die? You think I'm afraid? You think I'm dying from some flu-like virus? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Stay true to yourself by being transphobic. Yeah, bro, I'm transphobic. That is, if you think I'm transphobic, then you're fucking transphobic. I literally said I'm gay. And I love gay guys. And gay boys. All right? So you can't come at me. You can't come at me, all right? Don't even try to come at me. Don't even try to. You need better tattoos. That, you know what's also the gayest thing in the world? When a dude says you need a better tattoo. You want to come over and kiss my tattoo? It's my fucking tattoo, you weirdo. What the fuck you got? You want to come over? Come here. You fucking weirdo. Patrick, you need a new tattoo. You need to fix your tattoos. That's fucking gay. That is real gay, bro. That'd be like, come over here and give me a blowjob. That's how gay that is. Well, I mean, it's, you know, like whatever you're into. But I'm just saying. If another guy has a tattoo, you'd be like, all right, cool, bro, cool tattoo. You know, you don't really you don't give him like a critique on it. You know, you don't like critique some dude's tattoo. Because that's gay. There's 2 things in life that you don't do. You don't talk about it. Never mind. 2 things in life that you don't do. You don't talk about a man's tattoo, and you don't tell a man to put fucking lotion on his face. Right? Because those 2 things right there, you're definitely gay if you do those 2 things. Nothing wrong with being gay, by the way. We're all for it. More gay guys, more women for me. Do you like to go to the gay bar? I don't really like to go to the gay bars. I have been to a gay bar before. They love me. You know, I mean, I can't help it. It's like, fuck, I gotta get a bat out. Like, fucking gotta keep them off me. Them gay men, they sense that manliness. They smell me from a mile away, you know? They smell me from a mile away. They're like, dude, look at that man. He's a man's man. He's a man. Someone said, Patrick, are you really gay? No, I'm not really gay. Are you serious? Is that a real question? Guys, I'm not really gay. I'm just joking. I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking. Oh. Well, what time is it? 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Patrick, are you going to do any more trades a day? Probably not, to be honest. I mean, maybe get long and then just see if it makes a new high here later on. But right now, I don't really see anything that stands out. You know, I'm not overly excited to put a trade on. So you went to the gay bar for liquor? No, I went to the gay bar because there's gay guys there. Why else would I go to a gay bar? Come on, it's just for the liquor? What? I went to the gay bar because, you know, I was like, I want to go see what the gay bar is all about. No, I've had a couple friends who are gay, you know, over the years, and I'm not again, I'm not homophobic, so it doesn't really bother me. So I went to a gay bar with one of my friends who was gay, and it was funny. It was definitely funny. I'll say that. I would definitely say it was funny. I had a lot of guys trying to buy me beers. I'm like, oh, you sit down, honey. You can't afford to buy me a beer, boy. Echo, bro. What about echo, bro? What echo? There's no echo. You got echo. Who's got echo? Who's echoing? What's echo? Echo, echo? There's no echo. All right. So, by the way, right now, what do we got? We got some deals. We got funding ticks, 35% off. We got MFFU, 25% off. We got Apex, 90% off. And then we got Take Profit Trader at 40% off. So, we love to see it. Money, 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 money. Everybody got the deals right now. They got the deals. Who's buying what? Right now, MFFU, My Fun and Futures, it's the last chance to get 25% off. I'm telling you. They've told me that this is the last day. I think Saturday, Sunday, they might have the deal going, but it will not be happening on Monday. So just be aware of that. On Monday, don't be like, Patrick, why did you not tell me? Patrick, why did you not tell me? Patrick! Why did you not tell me? Fire the American muscle up. I don't know. Look at my little Porsche key. How cute is this? How cute is my Porsche key? It's got a little Porsche on it. It's got a little Porsche. Little Porsche. Can't even see it, probably. See my little Porsche? It got I got a Porsche 911, and then on the key, it has a little thing. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. This is what a key looks like. Remember the old days where you had to put the key in the ignition and then turn it? It's been a while since I had one of those cars. All my other cars, push button, push to start. Even the Ferrari. I always forget where the button for the Ferrari is, because it's on the steering wheel. Will you be here for Power Hour? No, thank you. No, thank you. I will not be here for Power Hour. We got more action. Look at this guy. Oh, my God. Hulk Hogan. He was 34 years old here. Damn. Dude, Hulk Hogan was 34 years old. I'm 2 years older than Hulk Hogan.
How much money did they spend on the plastic surgery, man? I had all bases covered. I had the Hulkamaniacs watching DiBiase. I had Virgil in his place. Never in my wildest dreams.
That's crazy.
Would I think that I would get ripped off by a penny pinching two-timing referee? How much money on the plastic surgery? How much money did he spend to pay the referee off? When I turned around, me, Gene, they were identical.
Hell yeah, brother. I mean, I think if you really want it, I mean, I'm not gonna like tell you what to do, but I would say that as long as we can basically hold 390s, I think end of day, get that push up, try to close up maybe at the 4 fucking kind of break through this overnight high, 430, 440 area. It's just a question of like, how long does it take? I don't really want to sit here for the next 3 or 4 hours waiting for it to go. But I don't know. It's tricky. 15-minute chart. Kind of still just like wicking around here. I mean, maybe it pulls back. I don't fucking know, man. It's Friday. Do I trade on TradingView or on Tradeovate? I trade on Tradeovate. I put all my trades on Tradeovate, and then I trade on TradingView. So we're up $833 in our funding ticks accounts today. The consistency continues. We're just getting those $1,000 days, consistently making some money here. We locked in some great profit today for our first day in the My Funded Futures accounts as well. Those are 25% off. The deals that are happening again. Funding ticks, 35% off. MFU, 25%. My Funded Futures, 25%. Apex Trader, 90%. Take Profit Trader, 40%. Use the code PW. It's the best code. The number one code. Number one code. And then, by the way, August 4th, we got some big stuff happening. August 4th, live at the BDH. I'm excited. August 4th through August 15th. We're going to have two traders live at the BDH with me. They're going to be trading. They're going to be on the screen. We're going to be talking through trades. We're going to be talking about the kind of psychological, my goal, that's 2 weeks. My goal is to get them funded or get them a payout. I want to try to get those two guys a payout while they're here at the BDH. But we're doing it all live on YouTube. So, it's for everybody. Make sure you tune in. It's going to be a good time. Be a good time here. Oh, man. I'm trying to think about what I'm going to do this weekend. Tomorrow, what is tomorrow? Saturday. Friday, Saturday. Tomorrow, I got some... what do I need to do tomorrow? Oh, I'm going to do some work here at the BDH tomorrow. And then on Sunday, going to go... I bought a bunch of GoPros. I bought a bunch of GoPros, and I'm going to... I'm going to mount them all over the car, and then I'm going to go drive around, and then I'm going to mix it all up into like one long video, just like a raw driving video. I don't know. It might be cool. It might not be. I'm going to start a new YouTube channel just for my car stuff. BDH Haas. The Haas is the BDH. No fishing this weekend because I don't have a boat right now. I have the little dinghy. Well, I have the little like flats boat, but I don't have a big boat. And I just fished for 27 days straight. So we'll see. I mean, it's kind of like, I would... He's the smooth operator. It's like right there. Getting real tight. If we get, like, break out here. That 425, that 430 area to the upside, possibly, but... just not really like moving much. I hate when the market gets in these ranges because now it's just like getting tighter and tighter. Something's gonna happen, obviously, but all I know is it's Friday, and the last thing that I want to do is trade and go red. Big drop coming. Oh, God. 4-hour chart. Big drop coming, guys. Get ready. Someone said in the chat. Where's the fair value gap on the 4-hour chart? I don't see a fair value gap. Really, though, where's the fair value gap? PW, what would Hogan do for the weekend? He'd fucking go out there and drink some beers, have a good time. 23,382. Bro, be like, oh, look at the fair value gap. What? What? You talking about like this literally? Like what? What are you talking about right now? How is this a fair value gap? This little area right here? This is what you're so excited for? That little area? That's what you want to see so badly? What's he talking about? These fucking ICT traders. You know how I know how ICT traders don't make money? Because they're going to sit here and be like, guys, look at this. Look at the fair value gap. Look at the fair value gap, everybody. Look at it. Look at the fair value gap. Look at it. Oh, man. All I know is I don't trade ICT, and I make more money than ICT does. So what does that mean? What does that mean? Does that mean that I'm just better, or does it mean that ICT doesn't work? Like, what is it? You know what I mean? Like, what is it? I'm confused. If ICT is the only way to trade, then why is it that I don't see nobody else on top of the league? Where's Brian trades ICT, right? So Brian Stonk, he's number 6. He made $125,000 in payouts trading ICT last month. I made $355,000 trading bull flags and bear flags. So I don't know. What does that mean? You know, what does that mean? I'm confused. I'm not good at math, but what I think it means is that bull flags and bear flags print money. Also, look at the stats here. $110,000 in live payouts. Look at the other traders. Not one person is anywhere near me. 110,000 in live payouts for Patrick Wieland. But why? If ICT is so good, why? You would think that everybody else would be above me, right? It's the trader, not the strategy. Shut the fuck up. The strategy's bullshit. A crazy fucking idiot on the internet came up with a strategy and y'all listen to him. Again, tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. You know, like, tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. Tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. Imagine listening to some fucking psychopath who talks about how he got kidnapped by the market makers. Like, imagine that. You know what I'm like? I'm just saying, like, imagine that. Like, really, like, think about that. Like, think about you basing your whole existence in your life off the idea that your mentor got kidnapped by the market makers. And don't say he never said that. He said that. He said that he cannot trade a real live account because he's banned. He's not allowed to. He's not allowed to trade. The market makers kidnapped him. It's the true thing. Think about that. That's your mentor. That is your mentor. That also, he has claimed that the world was going to end every year for the last 5 years. He's also claimed that Bitcoin would never go above $100,000. Let's see that one. Let's see what the price of Bitcoin is currently. The price of Bitcoin, oh my God, it's 115. What happened? What happened, ICT? I thought you know exactly where the market's going to go at all times. Why did you, what? How does he know? If he said Bitcoin was never going to go above him, he said he would delete his YouTube if Bitcoin went above 100,000. He also said back in November of 2024 that Bitcoin would go back to 75,000. What else did he say? The dude is so full of shit. He's so full of shit. It's insanity. 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 He also posted this as well. Don't forget. Don't ever forget about this. He still owes me $500,000 for this. January 27. I will make 11,000% return. I'm going to make 11,000% return. LOL. How much money did he make? 0. He actually blew up his account. So, yes, that's your mentor. Imagine listening to that person and then telling me that ICT is the best way to trade. You know, like imagine that. Like that, like just tell me you're retarded, please. Just please tell me that. Just tell me you're retarded. You know, the same way that I see someone with purple hair, I'd be like, damn, if you got purple hair, you might be retarded, right? If you got purple hair, you're probably retarded. If you trade ICT, you're probably retarded as well. I mean, you know, it seems it's pretty spot on. All right, so the ES, the Nasdaq, both kind of grinding higher here. Like I said, as long as we're above that 400 level, Nasdaq wants to go higher. There's the push up there to the 414s now. New high would put us up there to the 423, 25 area. Jade Cap trades ICT. Yeah, well, Jade Cap's also fucking retarded. And tell me that, and I'll tell it right to his face. He knows I'll tell him that. They're all fucking retarded. They just trade ICT so they can sell more courses, guys. These mentors, they trade ICT so they can sell you a $5,000 course on how to trade ICT. Because they know that ICT followers are the dumbest motherfuckers on this planet, so they can sell them a $5,000 course. Jade Cap made $2 million. Whoop-de fucking doodah day. Guys, it don't mean shit. Right? He traded 20 accounts. Do the math. He did 20 accounts. How much money did he make? $2 million. Congratulations. Like, whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-fucking-doo. If I would do the math on this, if Patrick Wieland would have traded 20 accounts, how much money would he have made? You know, how much? Let me see. Oh, he would have made $7 million. What do I think about Casper? Are you fucking serious? Casper SMC? Guys, again, if you pay fucking $5,000 for a course on trading, you're fucking retarded. All right? Like, you are fucking retarded. The thing is, you only show one leaderboard or 1 month. What the fuck are you talking about? The fuck are you talking about? Literally, what in the fuck are you talking about? 1 month leaderboard, Patrick. You only show 1 month. What the fuck are you talking about? How many days is this? How many days are in a month? How many fucking days are in a month? How many fucking days are in a month? God. How many days? How many days are in a month? How many fucking days are in a month? How many? How many are in a month? What's my opinion on Jade Cap? My opinion is very simple. If you are an ICT trader, you are retarded. I think that Jade Cap, I think that Tanya, I think that all these people that promote the fact that they're ICT traders, the only reason that they truly promote that is because they know that ICT traders are fucking retarded, so they can sell more courses, right? Why does Tanya have such a big following? Because ICT traders are fucking retarded. Jade Cap, guys, again, like, let's use your brain, right? Be smart, people. Every fucking ICT trader sells some crazy course. Why? Why do they do that? Because they know that the ICT traders are dumb enough to pay $5,000 for a course on how to trade fair value gaps. Y'all want to hate me for telling the truth. That is the truth. Kane is, guys, again. Oh my God. It don't matter who it is. It don't matter. It's not about the fact that they make money or not. That's not what this argument is about. The market is very, very ripe, right, to promote yourself as an ICT trader. Because if you promote yourself as an ICT trader, you can sell more courses. That is the truth. It's not fucking, like, you can hate me all you want, but is it fucking truth? That is the truth, man.
Retarded and paid $3,500 Tor Warrior Trading 2X.
Kane doesn't sell a course? Will you shut the fuck up? What do you mean Kane doesn't sell a course? He doesn't sell a course? He doesn't sell a course? He does it? What's the fucking trading lab? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Let me see. Let me see how much I gotta pay. Oh, wow. For $2,400 a year, I can learn how to trade ICT. lessons, weekly Q&A, educational material, trade idea, market, analysis. You fucking moron! What do you think he's selling? God! He doesn't sell a course. Patrick, he doesn't sell a course. He doesn't sell a course. He doesn't sell it. How much am I up year to date? I don't fucking know, man. I'm up $1 billion. It don't matter either way. It don't matter how much money I'm up. I'm live on YouTube for free every day. Giving you guys fucking gold. What did I say this morning? If we get above the 60s, look for the break to the upside. Look for the push through the opening range high. No fucking strategy. You know, it's no fucking ICT bullshit. Get rid of all the fucking indicators. It ain't fucking rocket science. We sell off. Ding, 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 ding. What do we got? We get above this. Ding, 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 ding. Literally here for the entertainment. Definitely not the trading style. Well, go fuck yourself, Sammy. I don't want nobody who's not here to win. Out of here. Who else wants it? Who else wants it? What do I think about Swaggy C? Are you fucking retarded? These people. Like, no wonder everyone's fucking retarded on the internet. Swaggy C. Let's go look at Swaggy C. How much money does Swaggy C make? Let's go look. Oh my God, he makes so much money. Look at this guy. Look how I made $40,000 trading 4X. Oh, look at me. I made it. I'm the gold. Oh, I made all the money. Swaggy C.
Pull back up here, which is an area that I had as a little minor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different bounces over here. It got back up and then it slowly started to come back down. I entered and I said, I expect gold to come down and draw down a little bit.
Oh, God. It's just, oh my God, we're fucked. The world is fucked, man. We are so fucked. Because literally people sit around thinking that Swaggy C is a fucking good day trader. Like, Swaggy C, man. Swaggy C. Look at Swaggy C, man. Now he's in front of a fucking private jet. Look at Swaggy C. Yo, look how good he is. Look at him. Guys, there ain't nobody who trades fucking Forex on the internet who actually is legit. Are you kidding me? The Forex brokers will give you an insane commission. They'll give you literally like 70% commission. That's how rigged it is. Forex is the biggest scam market in the entire fucking world. I'm telling you. You don't even understand. You don't even understand. God. And now, see, like, people always be like, man, trading's so hard. I'm like, dude, trading ain't hard. You know? Trading ain't hard. Because all you have to do is you got to be smarter than all the fucking retards out there. That's all it is. You know, like, literally all you have to do to make money trading is just be smarter than the fucking retards that think that Swaggy C and fucking ICT are good mentors. Like, think about that. Dude, what the... Bro, what the fuck is... Why is he so shy? What the fuck? Is he sweating? Bro is sweating on this video right here. Did he put baby oil on? Bro put baby oil on. What in the fuck? Why does he look so, like, shiny? Dude, what in the fuck is going on? Bro, why is he so shiny? I'm confused. I don't even understand. Why has he got, like, baby oil on? Bro, what the fuck? What is happening? I gotta get Ginger. We need baby oil, quick. Give me the baby oil. I gotta get shiny, boys. Ah! Give me the baby oil now. Give me the baby oil. No! Yeah. Yeah. I'm not shiny. Hurry up. Ginger, get the baby oil. I need the baby oil. Get me the baby oil. No, we can't no fucking Windex. I need some fucking baby oil. Patrick, you were talking down on people who trade the same concepts as you. No, I'm not. I'm the best to ever do it. There is no one like me. All right? One day I'll be gone. And guess what? Everyone's going to be like, what happened to Patrick Wieland, man? He was the best to ever do it. I'm moving on. I'm going off into the fucking ether. I'm going to go move on to fucking, I'm going to Mars, baby. I already talked to Elon Musk. He's like, look, Patrick, you are too smart to live on this planet any longer. And I said, thank you, Elon. Finally, somebody agrees. Somebody fucking agrees. I just cannot live on this planet any longer because there's too many fucking retards that think that Swaggy C is good at trading. You know what I mean? Like, I'm fucking, like, it blows my fucking mind, man. Ah! Yeah, I'm looking jacked right now. Ooh. The test, all that fucking steroids is finally working. All the steroids is working. God. Well, like I said, again, guys, I want y'all to, like we said a million times here on this channel, at the end of the day, all we need to do is figure out where the retards are trading at, right? If all the retards are getting short down here at the lows, what's going to happen, right? If you're retarded and you're trading these lows down here, shorting, what's going to happen? The market's going to go back up, right? The market's going to go back up. It's that simple, right? All these retards are trying to short here at the top. What's going to happen? Right? If everyone's fucking trying to be retarded and trying to be dumb and being like, yeah, but there's a fair value gap. Patrick, the market has to pull back. There's a fair value gap. Look. Patrick, look. Just look at it. Look at that fair value gap. Look at it all. Patrick, there's a fair value gap. Look, guys, oh my God, there's a fair value gap. Look at that fair value gap. It's all the way, it's at 22,150. Guys, the market has to pull back. It's got to. I'm shorting. Guys, I am shorting. Look at the fair value gap. You know? Look at the fair value gap. Blake Johnson, what about Tory Trades? I don't need to even mention her anymore. It's a waste of my fucking breath. If y'all want to be dumb enough to go pay Tory Trades $5,000, learn how to day trade, then nothing I can do about it. I can't save you. You're that fucking dumb. Like, you deserve to be fucking dumb. You deserve to get fucked over at that point. Like, hey, you know what I mean? Like, if you're that fucking dumb, then, like, congratulations. You get the fucking award for being a fucking dumbass. Like, that's all it is. That's all it is. I don't need to roast TJR either. TJR is, come on, guys. Like, let's be honest. You know what I mean? Like, just be honest. Alex G, none of them are legit. Guys, come on. You know what? Like, just come on. Like, just stop. Stop asking stupid questions. They're all fucking full of shit. Every single one of them. Every single fucking one of them. They don't make money fucking trading. 100%. If they did, you know what they would do? You know what they would do? You know what they would do, guys? You know what all those mentors would do? Like, imagine, all right, if you were profitable, right, and you were a big-time trader and you wanted to make a lot, and you wanted to sell courses, right, all you would have to do, right, all you would have to do to prove it, right, get ready for this, it's going to blow your fucking mind, go here, click performance, right, look at your performance for the month, boom, yes, it says demo, by the way, because this is a sim-funded account, but again, guys, that's all it is. Just do that. Why don't they do that? They can't do it. They won't do it. They don't do it because they can't.
How about
they can't. Guys, y'all retarded. Everyone's retarded. Everybody, if you name some other fucking moron, you're an idiot. You know what I mean? Like, you're a fucking idiot. If you sit here and try to be like, yeah, but what about this guy? Okay, well, you're an idiot. I get it. You're an idiot. Oh, God. Yeah, FSP doesn't even show his fucking face. A lot of people said that Alex G is a scammer. Yeah, no shit. Guys, anybody who promotes fucking Forex prop firms is a scammer. The Forex game is a joke. It's a fucking joke, man. It's literally a joke. You know, like, it is a joke. Come on. Lambo Raoul, dude, it's a joke. It's all a joke. Like, it's all a joke, man. Like, literally, like, Lambo Raoul talks about how successful he is, right? The truth is his dad is a fucking millionaire dentist, right? When you see all the cars, when you see all the shit, when Raul goes to his, to his office, it's his dad's fucking office. This is his dad right there, right? That's his daddy. That's his daddy's fucking office. It's not fucking Lambo Raul's, you fucking morons. Oh, it's so weird. Where's Lambo Raul? Oh.
What else does he do with all that wealth?
Oh. And then he even talks about this.
Per month or per year?
If I tell you 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 50, $100 million a year, what's that matter if you're not happy?
Yeah,
my millions are in my heart.
Yeah.
The money that I make is not mine. It belongs to my family.
His wealth belongs to his family. The sentence that really is the key to all of this. Because as public documents show, Raul Sr. has given significant sums of money to Raul Jr., such as this $64,000 loan in exchange for $10. And of course, it's a loan, not a gift, because gifts are taxed.
Oh. Wow. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that Lambo Raul's dad, who is a multimillionaire dentist, is giving money to his son and basically making it so he only has to pay back $10. How does that work? How's that work? I need to call my dad. I'm like, hey man, where the fuck's my fucking money at? Is anyone on YouTube legit? No. Even I'm not legit, man. At the end of the day, I make $1 million a month as an affiliate, right? And that's the truth. Do I trade? Yes. Do I make money trading? Yes. But am I able to buy fucking supercars and live the life I live because of trading? No. I can't. It's not that easy, right? It's not that easy. It's not that easy. But it's the truth. People don't love it. They don't want to hear it. It's the truth. Only oh God, whatever. No one's legit. It's just, you got to figure out who's less legit, you know what I mean? That's really what it comes down to. So. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Yeah, Mamba FX. Oh God. Oh God. Everybody just keeps naming people that are worse and worse. People be like, this person, no, that's worse. This gets worse. Just gets worse. All right, Nasdaq took out those highs up to the 430s, chopping back down. I'm flat, took all my profit. I'm done. I'm going to walk away and go enjoy the weekend. It's Fresh Cash Friday, and we did exactly that today. We locked in some nice little profits here. We got my personal account up 5,000 on the day. Those longs off the lows, paying. Talked about that this morning. Got the funding ticks, new platform, the new stuff, new rules, all that fun stuff going on. What do they got? The new rules we're talking about here. There is no more restrictions on news trading in the zero account, the straight to funded accounts. The Pro Plus, it's a new window. It's 1 minute before and after the events. You got a lifetime capped. Lifetime cap is now $200,000 for the Pro Plus users. And yeah, the new dashboard, currently 35% off. So a lot of stuff going on in the space right now. Funding ticks. You got Apex 90% off. You got MFFU 25% off. You've got the take profit trader accounts 40% off. And right now, just kind of chopping around here between that 400 and the all-time high really up there. Looks like Nvidia, a little bit of a pullback. Nvidia made a new high today, I believe, right? Nvidia making new highs once again, man. I think, depending on how this, I don't know. I'm thinking that maybe might be a good time to take some profit here on that. I'm long on Nvidia from the 30s, 130 area from back here in May. And what's funny is I bought in May, and everyone thought that I was buying the top. They were like, oh, you're buying the top. And I'm like, yeah, shut the fuck up. Remember, if you listen to everybody else in the world, and you listen to like all these other people telling you what you can't do and all that, like, why do you expect different results? You know, if you live life like everybody else, if you do exactly what everybody else tells you to do, why do you expect any different results? The only way to get ahead in this game is to not listen to other fucking retards. We're all retarded, by the way, and just trying to figure out what works best for you. And that's all you can do. That's at the end of the day, you got to make that decision. Do you hold? Do you take profit? Do you trade? Do you not trade? It just comes down to you and you alone. You have to take the responsibility because, again, if you take a trade, right, if you get into a trade and it doesn't work out, well, you need to have the responsibility to be like, okay, I got stopped out. Like, that's part of it, right? Like, I'm okay with that. Like, if you take a trade and you get stopped out, you're like, okay, I'm fine with that. Like, I can do that, right? I'm holding myself responsible. The problem is, if you're just constantly looking for someone to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're not going to be able to hold yourself responsible when that moment comes where you have to get stopped out. It will happen, right? It is normal business. You will get to a point, at some point in your trading career, I don't care what anyone says, you will have a day where you have to get stopped out on a trade, or you have to take a loss, or you're going to have a red day. But you have to be able to have that responsibility for it. If you can't take responsibility for a red day, then guess what happens? Then you end up blowing up your account because you're not responsible, right? You've got to personally be responsible for your actions. And that's like everything in life. People try to blame everybody else. Like, oh man, I lost money because Patrick told me to get long and it went down. I'm like, well, the fuck you listen to me for? We took a trade this morning. We got stopped out on the first long, by the way. We got stopped out. We came back. I took one little short here down to the lows, but took this long right here. We had the break. I was talking about this all live, by the way, so don't even be like, Patrick, you don't ever tell us. What I really wanted to see here, if you go back and rewatch the live stream, I wanted to see that wick, right? What happened? We wicked below this candle. I get long. We get the little pop. I'll take my 10 points there. It ended up going obviously higher, but like I said, on a Friday, locking it in. So we were down 200. Now we're up 200. These are my funded future evals that are now turned into funded accounts. We started these accounts on Tuesday of this week. Guys, we started them on what, Tuesday or Wednesday? I think Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday. Yeah, we traded Wednesday. We traded Thursday in the evals. We then moved into the funded account Friday morning, and we've already locked in $230 times 5 accounts. And you can only get $1,000 payout either way from these accounts per 5 days or whatever the rules are. So I'm not that worried. Like, I don't need to make $1 million. So I'll probably just trade one contract. You can only trade one contract anyway. So I'm going to trade one contract and get it in there. So again, you guys can hate me. You can love me. But look, the proof is in the pudding. You know, I don't need to sit here all day long and be like, yeah.
My first at payout because of your course patient is for sure key. Thanks, Patrick.
You know, so. The proof is in the pudding. The best part is, like I said, we did it all live here on YouTube. Blake Johnson, should you leave the Forex? Yeah, are you retarded? Stop asking retarded questions. Stop asking retarded questions, bro. How to be more patient? Well, if you see here, that trade that I took earlier, if you watch the live stream again, go back and watch the live stream. I talked about this, right? The market was kind of squeezing up and I was like, fuck. You know, I'm not getting long until I get some type of wick down here to this EMA. And that was what I was focused on, right? Like, I'm like, hey, I told myself, like, I will not get into a trade until I get my wick, until I get my little bounce off that EMA. And what did I do? I waited. We got our little wick. I entered. I took profit. Simple. I know it seems unsimple, but that's the big focus, guys. You have to, like, if you really want patience, you got to, like, kind of force yourself to, like, have some type of like parameter where you're like, okay, I ain't getting fucking long or I ain't getting short until I see something happen. That once it happens, that's going to be my trigger, right? You should have like a trigger. I want like a trigger, if that makes sense. I want to see, you know, some type of like outcome or some type of event. So here's my maybe good example. All right. So we had this move, this wick here at the bottom. We get that wick. We take out that wick. We pull all the way back here to the 30s. So then in my head, what I'm focused on at that point is like, I'm okay. I'm like, okay, look, we kind of have these wicks here, and then we have these wicks here. So I'm not looking for really anything inside this area, but what I'm looking for is if the market starts moving below this, then I'd be looking for shorts. But there's a better chance if we take out this high, these candles, that we start to push back up. And what do? We push back up. The problem is it kind of just like went do. It didn't really give me like my entry that I really wanted. So that's when I was like, okay, perfect. Looking at the 1 minute chart over here, I'm like, hey, we got this resistance there at the 70s. We see there's resistance, right? There's that resistance there. We got stuck there earlier. We were long. We got stuck, whatever. That was probably one of those trades where I should have went to break even, but whatever. There's that resistance, right? Where I want to now see, again, I'm like, okay, I'm not taking a long until we break above this resistance here. We break above that resistance, we get a small pullback, and then I am entering my trade. So that is really forcing me to be patient. I'm creating some type of like scenario. I'm like, that's the best way to really find patience with trading, is to like create a scenario that is going to make it easier for you to enter a trade. Because now I'm like, hey, I want to see us take out this little high. I want to take out this high here. Once we take out that high, I want to see kind of how we react. And then I'm going to be looking for that pullback into that EMA. And that's all that's doing is just like giving me two things that I really want to see happen before entering the trade. So that way, this whole move here, I'm being patient. You know, could I have gotten long? Maybe. I could have. Same thing, you know, maybe kind of through here, whatever. But it's better, I think, to kind of wait really for like that action to happen. Where's my stop loss? Really on that trade, my stop, you know, we got long at 676s. My stop's like right here below this candle low, maybe even less. On this type of trade, it's like if we get below the EMA, I might just get stopped out. Because I'm like, I want to see that reaction to the EMA. I want to see this candle basically bounce off the EMA and then push right back up. I don't want to see us hit the EMA, get long, and then start dumping through the EMA. Know what I mean? So when it comes to stop losses for those types of trades, I'm kind of playing that trade as like that EMA is kind of like, you know, where I want to go. Also, think about it like this. If let's say I got long here. Let's say we got long at the 382s. Where's my stops going to be? Where's my stop loss going to be? My stop loss needs to basically be below that EMA, right? I mean, that's just like, kind of makes sense. If you believe that the EMA is going to hold up, I hate doing this shit on trading, on Trade8. Let's do it on this stuff. Let's get rid of these for now. We'll get rid of pretty much everything other than the 9 EMA and the VWAP. Well, get rid of that's fine. Fucking hate. Right, like if let's say I get long, I got long at the 380s. Well, where's my stop at? My stop needs to basically be above that EMA either way. So that's why I kind of like it. Like, hey, if I'm going to buy long here and my stop would be here, let me see if my stop gets tested first. All right, let me get my stop to get tested. If my stop gets tested and it holds, well, maybe then I can get long. A lot of people always will be like, Patrick, I get into a trade and then I get stopped out right afterwards. I'm like, okay, well, what if you wait, right? You wait for a trade to kind of get close to your stop loss, maybe hit that stop loss, and then look for reaction. Because how many times, I know people in the chat, this happens a lot. How many times do you enter a trade and then you end up getting stopped out and then it goes higher? Anybody? 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 Anybody in the chat? Anybody? Y'all be doing that, right? That happens. That should be happening. You know? So there you go. Like, kind of figure out what your setup's going to be and then be like, okay, you know, let me put my stop. Same thing kind of happened here. You know, we kind of broke out there. We had that wick come down. This kind of goes, I made a video over the weekend talking about this already. Nasdaq's still pushing back up here. But I made a video over the weekend talking about this if you want to go check it out. The idea of like this 3-candle wick, right? So this is the candle that takes out this wick. It takes out this wick. It takes out this wick. So, I mean, really, it's like fucking 4 candles that it's taken out there. So that candle goes down to here. Ding, ding, ding. Kind of bounced off that. So that right there, that's like a really good entry candle. Because now I know, like, hey, the bottom of these 3 candles have already been taken out. So if I get long here, the chance of it going higher after taking out, that wick, taking out that bottom of those candles, much higher chance. Again, it's never 100% chance, but I would say the chance that it now goes lower after taking out those 3 candle lows, probably like 30%, right? That's like a 30% chance that it now that we took out these lows, so we'll say like 30% chance, right? So if that's a 30% chance that we go lower from there, well, now I got a 70% chance that we go higher. And I don't know about you guys, but that is a pretty good fucking strategy. Right? That's a pretty good fucking strategy right there. I'll take that. I will take that strategy any day, all the day. I'll take that strategy any day, all day. 70-30, let's go. That's all it is. Trading is nothing more than trying to find a setup or an opportunity to move the odds in your favor. At the end of the day, if you buy or you sell, it's a 50 chance. There's a 50-50 chance, right? The market goes up or down. Like no one knows exactly which way it's going to go. But if I can look at patterns and I can see the different setups, and then I go, okay, that makes sense, like if I can now make it 60, if I can make it 70, that's fucking genius. And again, I'm not charging you guys $5,000 to fucking learn how to trade, am I? Whoa, Don't overcomplicate this shit, man. Don't overcomplicate this shit, man. The candlesticks are your friends. The candlesticks are telling you kind of where the buyers and sellers are sitting at. You get those big wicks on the bottom, it's kind of like, okay, there's clearly something going on here. We got wicks at the top. Well, there's clearly something going on there. There's sellers there. There's buyers here. There's buyers here. There's buyers here. Trading is hard. Trading is easy. Which one is it? Trading trading is difficult, right, for human beings because it's hard to remove the emotion from trading. But the actual idea of entering and exiting a trade, once you lose that kind of emotion, once you forget the emotion and you just start to look at the probabilities, that's when trading gets easy, right? It's like once you are now like, hey, if I enter along here and I get stopped out here for 10 points, whatever, like who cares? That's easy, right? That's easy. If I lose 10 points to make 30 points, is that a good trade? It's pretty fucking good. Like that's pretty good. And I know that I can lose 3 trades. I can lose 3 trades, right? That was like a B, but I can lose 3 trades. I can do this 3 times. And I know that at the end of the day, I'm going to be profitable. Same thing happened here, right? Look at my stats from today. These are my Fund of Future accounts. All right. Total profit on the day, $500. My total losing trade, $250. So what did I prove? What did I prove today? That I can lose 1 trade, and then I can make the 1 trade back on 2 more trades, right? If I lose the first trade of the day, my next trade is going to get me back to break even, and then my next trade is going to make me profitable on the day. And that's with 66%. That's 66%, guys. And the best part is, like, that first trade of the day, I definitely could have, this should have been a break-even trade, I guess. Worst come to worst. I was being stubborn. I could have really minimized that and just went to break even once we pushed up here. It is what it is. But still, I kept the 250, kind of the goal. I was like, all right, I'll risk 250 because I know there's a good chance that I can make 250. I can make it back. Yeah, I mean, I trade 1-to-1. Obviously, like, I'm going to get more. If you trade for 1-to-1, right? If you trade 1-to-1, there's going to be plenty of days, right? There's going to be plenty of days where you're going to get that 3-to-1, that 2-to-1. But then there's also days when the market's choppy and you're going to be happy that you took 1-to-1, right? Like, there's going to be those days where you're going to see a setup and you're going to be looking at it and you're like, oh, fuck. You know, like, oh, fuck, this is prime, right? Like, this is prime to fucking go. I took a trade in my personal account where I'm like, hey, I like the idea of this holding down here. This low, if this low holds, I think there's a very good chance that we see this area. What's the risk reward there? You know, if my stop is basically the low of this candle, let's say we're long from the 40s, my stop's at the 30s, I'm risking 10 points, right? 10 points for fucking 70 points. What's that? 1 to 70? 1 to 70? I think. Maybe. I'm not good at math. 1 to 70? Yeah, 1 to 7. So it's not, there's going to be days, right? There's going to be plenty of days where you're going to enter a trade, right? You're going to enter a trade, and then you're going to see an opportunity and be like, hey, I can hold. 390 area. I can hold for that. I can get more. The next trade, I ended up closing out higher. But look, it's just bigger time frame. This is my 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, the idea of like letting this low down here, as long as that low is protected, I'm looking to take the highs. The low protected takes me higher. You know, low protected takes me higher. All right. That's it. I mean, that's all it is. We get the low to be, we took out the overnight low. So once that overnight low is taken out, I'm like hyper focused on the idea that we kind of push back up to the overnight high, right? We're hyper focused on that. We're looking for longs. And still going higher now. That 420, I told y'all earlier, 420 be wanting to get high. Nasdaq be trying to get high today. Whew. But yeah, I mean, Friday, what is it? Almost 12. It's like if you're still sitting here and you're trying to figure out what the next trade is, I would say that probably the best thing to do is just kind of walk away if you're green, you know, take that money and run. The worst day for me to trade and lose money is always on a Friday. You know, I do not want to deal with that. I don't know about you guys, but like that shit sucks. You know, I mean, that just sucks. I got a new follower on Twitter. You think she's real? I don't know. Looks like a trap. It looks like a trap. It looks like a personal coach. It looks like a trap. I don't know, chat. Looks like she's only reposted stuff, not posted anything. Oh God. It's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. How much money am I up today? We're up $5,000 in my personal cash account. Those are the trades there. We're up. These are my funded future accounts. We got 5 of them. We're up $200. My goal is just kind of make, if I can make like $200 a day, get to that $1,000, just kind of, yeah. I mean, maybe make a little bit more here and there, but today, sometimes, normally I'd say, majority of the time when I trade, I don't have losers. I know that sounds funny, but I try not to. If I can lock it in, kind of just be done there, but that's kind of set up there. And then my funding ticks accounts are still looking really good. I don't know if it's updated yet. Oh, there's yes. No, it's not updated yet. Still waiting. But this is pretty cool. Look at this weekly summary. This is the new dashboard. Week 1, 4,000. Week 2, 5,000. Week 3, 6,000. Week 4, $4,000 for a total of $18,000 there on funding ticks. But what's funny is, like, look here, right? My biggest winning trade, 920. My biggest losing trade, 855. They're very in line. And I think a lot of people, they get so caught up in this idea that your winner has to be 3 times your loser. In a perfect world, maybe, but trading is not perfect. It's not easy to like really hold those big winners all the time. I think that's most people struggle with. But the problem is, like, you got to really be able to cut those losers off. Keep those losers in check. If you can keep those losers, in check, my win rate 372%. I win more than 100% of the time, all right? I win more than 100% of the time. I win 372% of the time. I don't know how exactly that works, but I think it's just a bug there. But you can see this is my equity curve, right? That's my account equity curve since I started the account. No real big pops. These are when I got payouts. These drops are from the payouts. But look like we should get close to a payout here soon as well. What do we got? Yeah, it's kind of the move, man. We're passed on the consistency score. We got one more day to trade. That'll be today, and we are going. Profit target hit. Everything's looking real good. So it's hot as fucking Florida right now. No, it's humid. It is hot. It is fucking really wild. You're the market maker with us, stats. Any giveaways today? I gave away some amazing trades, I feel like. And I gave away some accounts earlier today. So there it is. 12 o'clock. I'm going to go enjoy the weekend. It's, what's the point in making money if you can't go enjoy it? So if you guys haven't already, look at the Nvidia, Nasdaq. Just, ugh. It's a wild world, man. So many people. Remember, literally just a few months ago, the world thought we were ending. Everybody thought the market was going to go to fucking zero only a few months ago. And look at us now. Back here when we were at 17,000, back in April, everybody said, oh, Patrick, the market's going to zero. It's the worst time. You got to get out. Get out, Patrick. Get out of it. You know what I said? I said, hold my beer, motherfucker. Hold my beer. In the Wall Street Journal. Go look at the Wall Street Journal. Patrick Weeb there. Look at that. In the Wall Street Journal. I called the goddamn bottom. I called the goddamn bottom of this market, chat. In the fucking Wall Street Journal. Make a movie about me. Called The Big Fucking Dick House. Not The Big Short, but The Big Dick House. All right? Big Dick House. In the journal. In the journal. Load up on the... Look at that. Wall Street Journal published an article. Back there, 422. Check this shit out. Check this shit out. Check this shit out, man. TQQ. Where's the TQQ out now? You know TQQ? You know TQQ? TQQ. TQQ. That was 22. April 22nd. Wall Street Journal published the article. And the best part is I talked to the Wall Street Journal before the article was published, obviously. And the market, TQQ, is now up 109%. You think it's still a good time to buy? I mean, it just depends on what's your long-term plan. You know? For me, I'm holding up. I got nowhere. I think about it like this, right? If I sell Nvidia at 174, like, what am I going to do with that money? Like, what am I going to do with the money that I make on that? Like, what am I going to do with it? You know, like, what am I going to use it for? I don't really have any other investments to put it into right now. So keep going. Patrick, be honest. If you wouldn't have the affiliates, would you still be able to live this kind of life with only trading? I mean, I made $1 million with trading. So, I mean, I wouldn't be able to have 15 cars. I would only have 3 cars probably. So it sucks. And yes, I have a video library course. It's $199. But I mean, I don't know. Could I live I don't feel like I live that crazy of a life. If I could make $1 million a year trading, I'm pretty sure I could live a pretty decent life. It might not be exactly how my life looks now, but I think overall I could do it. Right? In theory. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Maybe I get lucky. Maybe I get lucky a lot of times in life, but I do think that I could get lucky more often than not. Is when you think about it. I think so. So $355,000 in 1 month. How does the YouTube money compare? It doesn't compare very good. I'll show you exactly how much money I've made on YouTube for my entire life. My entire life on YouTube. Check it out. You'll be surprised. I don't make that much money from YouTube. I don't even run ads. Guys, I don't even run ads on the live stream. When's the last time you saw an ad on the live stream? Anybody? Y'all seen that? Anybody? Exactly. I don't even look at Nvidia right now, still ripping higher. So, my total revenue since January 2017 on YouTube here, I've made lifetime revenue from YouTube. I've made $429,000. Show your affiliate revenue. I've already said I make $1 million a month as an affiliate. What do you want me to show you? I just said $1 million a month. Which AP are you wearing? This is the Montoya limited edition. Got the carbon fiber inlay. It's like hard to show. Ooh. It's cool. 1 of 1,000, correct. Well, what's my average month on YouTube? It's not that. Why do you guys? I don't make any money on YouTube. Look at June. So for June, I made $5,800 directly from YouTube. Patrick, are there any swing PropFirm accounts? No. How about the course? How much? I've sold over $1 million in courses. It's $199, by the way. $199. Is ICT keeping the promise in November? I highly doubt it. Who was my first affiliate offer? Well, TopStep. TopStep was the first prop firm to email me back like 3 years ago. How many months did it take you to make $355K? 2 months. What car is that behind you? Yes, it's a GT500. Shelby GT500. She's fast. She got 1,000 horsepower. Yeah, buddy. Does TopStep still pay me? No. They're actually suing me right now, so I might be paying them some money. Whoa. All right. There it is. Fresh Cash Friday. Cassius, what percent of revenue comes from trading? Hey, Cassius, are you fucking retarded? Did I not just say I made $1 million trading in the last year? Right? I made $1 million trading in the last year. And then I also said I make $1 million a month. Do the fucking math, Cassius. Do the math. Do the math. Exactly. If I make $1 million a year trading, but I make $1 million a month as an affiliate, how much money is that? But I've also built all of this from it. So I built the BDH. I built it all. I built this whole place on my back. I built it all. And that's why we number one now. Oh, I got to get back to the gym. Getting fat. Getting fat, boy. How did you get over being sad that the markets are closed on the weekend? Fuck. I am never sad the markets are closed, to be honest. I love the weekend. And the fact of like just not having to worry about it. I look at trading as a way for me to make money, right? I get in, I get out, and then I don't worry about it anymore. I try to remove myself from the trading. Is that an R34? Fuck yeah, it's Paul Walker's old car. I bought it for $1 million. Look at it over there. That's the R34. Can't really see it right now. Oh yeah, I see it over there kind of. R34. R34 over there, just hanging out, living the dream. All right, Nasdaq's still pushing up here. I guess those 420 longs are getting paid still. Fucking 12.11. Market, I got to get out of here before I do something stupid and try to trade some more. There's the push. What a time to be alive. Like we said, kind of that opening range breakout, the push now up there to that next pivot point. You got 23,436 is your pivot point, and that's right into this overnight high now. Overnight high right there. So the question is, do we pull back and find some resistance there? Do we move up higher? End of week, maybe. Look at the fucking Nvidia still trying to push. What a crazy time to be alive. Patrick, please review the trade you took. I already took the trade. I already did the review. If you're fucking just now tuning in, you're fucking late, and you should go fucking get a job. Because ain't nobody getting paid around here for being late. Can you explain the pivot points? There's a lot of videos on my channel talking about the pivot points. I use the pivot point standard. What trading computer do you recommend? There is no trading computer. You just fucking buy any computer. Buy a gaming computer. Just buy whatever. Trade on your phone. You don't need a fucking fancy computer for trading. There is no secret trading computer. Nasdaq still just kind of... Oh, there's ES is pushing. ES making new highs now as well. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. No reason to be short. No reason to be short. Just keep making that money on those longs, baby. Can you explain how to get offers from firms? Just make sure you're the biggest dick in town. Once everybody knows that you have the biggest dick around, then they all start offering you $1 million deals. Until then, a lot of work to go. New all-time highs. I mean, aren't we there? Aren't we at the all-time? I think we're at the all-time highs, aren't we? We're making all-time highs right now. It's happening. History in the making. Nasdaq still ripping up there to the 40, 45s, 50s maybe. What a time to be alive, man. Crazy. Look at the weekly candle. This weekly candle is going to just fucking be a boner. I would expect some type of pullback here at some point. Maybe we push up like a little higher and then get some pullback end of day. I'd be very surprised that this candle closes with no wick on the weekly chart. But it's not impossible. Would you go long now? No, I would not go long now. Patrick, would you go long now after you could have gotten long here? Probably not, no. I mean, that was the breakout. 420 is up there to the 450s now. I am out of the 37 long. I took profit there earlier into that 420 push. Yeah, I mean, I always have a rule too. Like, if I didn't go long on this setup, am I going to go long here? You know, like, ask myself that question. You know? Like, you know, be like, if I didn't get long when the market was here, do I really want to get long when the market's up there? Like, is that good trading? You know, like, is that a good idea? Probably not. You know? Probably not. What would I do now? I just walk away, honestly. Every target has been hit. So it's just like, at this point, let the market do what it's going to do and then just walk away. Right now, it's 12:15, so try to make a little bit of money in the morning and walk away. Steven, I'm your #1 follower. Please review the trade. Bro, we've already talked about it. It's simple. All right, we break the opening range high. Right, there's your opening range high, the high of that candle. We break through it. We pull back. I get long off the EMA. I take profit. Boom. The trade has been reviewed. The trade has been reviewed. The trade has been reviewed. There it is. I mean, it's you never know, man. This shit could just fucking rip 480, 490s. The thing is, like, when we're at these all-time highs, it's very difficult to call the top, because what happens is everyone's trying to short right here, right? They're all trying to get short because they think it's going to pull back. And then what happens? The market keeps ripping higher, and then it creates a short squeeze. It's Friday as well. It's like a tricky spot, you know? It's a tricky spot. So I'm going to walk away. I'm going to go enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you guys back here Monday morning. We got some big stuff happening next week as well. The BDH is just a beginning, baby. This is just the beginning of what is to come. Making money live on YouTube, giving you guys the best deals every day. That's right. Funding ticks 35% off. MFFU 25%, and then Apex 90. Take Profit Trader sitting at 40%. We got all the great deals. Check out onlyprofitfirms.com for all of the deals. There it is. Big thank you guys for watching, and let's close it out here with the theme song. You already know what the theme song is going to be. You already know. You already know. I'll see y'all Monday. Peace.
Tony Coles.
Hey, safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. 30K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitching my archives. Jordan came back, so the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind. Pull up a 4 in a loco, tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Turn my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali, put weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pour and lean on the nuggets and runch. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some, I had to stunt. Right wrist, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punching. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey.